I can say it's holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kick me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Can't see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that the Father had to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you.
Good morning.
The water didn't wake you.
Welcome in, welcome in.
And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you.
Let's go. Happy June or July. Happy July.
Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise.
All right, what up, chat? Good morning. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome.
Wash away my shame.
Hope you guys are doing good. Let's
You
get the day
deserve
started.
the praise. Lead me to your altar.
All right.
Wash
What up,
away
Louis
my
G? What's
shame.
good? What's good? Energy in the building. What up, Energy? What up, Z Gamer? Yo, AB Mike in the house. Got a trades in the building. What up? Got a trade. Yes. Big LeGrand in the house. What up, LeGrand? Happy Monday, everyone. Welcome. Welcome in. Welcome to a new month. Y'all ready or what? Yeah. Cheers, mates. What up, Dropout Trader? What up, Buzzblab? What up, Chala? Good morning. Good morning, Michael Cook. What's up, Everett? The Don in the house. The Don. What's up, Richard Lewis? Wiz Buddha. What up, Wiz Buddha? What up, Scott? Scott Blackwood in the house. What up, Billy? Billy O'Neill. Rapid Max. Look at these guys, man. Consistency. What's up, Derek? Good morning, bro. Good morning, good morning. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. I think I got my screen shared already. Yes. Perfect. Welcome in. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Let's get the party started here today. Yeah, let's lower the music. What's good, Purpose? Yo, yo. Sunboy Comedy in the house. What up, DT Gamer? Who else we got here today? Let's see. Chaos. Rahul. What up, Nathaniel? What up, D-Triple-A? D-Triple-A. Zeba. Young Pipper in the building. What up, Davey P? Good morning, Jessica. Yanosh in the house. What up, Yanosh? Yeah. Hey, if you guys are ready for a big month, put a W in the chat. If you're ready to go, if you guys are ready to start fresh, start anew, it's a new month, but nothing changes here. You know, nothing really changes, so it's going to be a fun month, and we're going to keep on marching forward and doing what we do best. Yes, sir. High expectations. Yeah, let me lower the music here, and we're going to get the day started. For those of you guys who haven't liked the stream yet, give the stream a like. Let me pray for you guys, and we're going to get the day started here. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for a new day. Lord, we thank you for a new month. Lord, we thank you for what you have done in the past, and we can only imagine miracle and amazing work that you're going to do here in the future, Lord. So we thank you for it in advance. I pray that you would bless us. You would go before us this month and make this amazing path straight for us, Lord. We thank you for using us to be an impact in the world, to inspire others and to serve others. And we thank you for it. It's an honor, Lord. Truly is an honor to do things like Jesus did things. And we are just so blessed. So we thank you for it. We give you all the glory for blessing us with wisdom in the charts and professionalism in the charts, and we thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. 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 Y'all ready to rock? You guys ready to go? Did you guys have a good weekend? Yeah, you guys had a good weekend? Amen. All right, let's get the day started here, chat. Today is the first day of July, so we got a brand new month ahead of us here today, and should be fun. We are entering into July. It is Monday. It is a new week. It is a new month, and I'm excited. So I hope you guys are excited. Hope you're pumped up and ready to go. You know, last month was incredible. Right? Incredible. We really got to execute a lot last month and really test certain things out last month. And it was just overall a big W, you know, not only in performance, but in data collection. It's been pretty cool. You know, it's been pretty great to test out the, new setups, new impulse ideas. Now we're going to move into phase 2, which is testing out different entries and, such things like that. So just keep hanging with me. Don't necessarily think you have to take every single trade I take, right, as I do build up this data, but just watch, just observe, just learn, just take notes, and prepare yourself for next year, right? Even if all you did this year was learn how to be a profitable trader next year, it would have been an incredibly productive year for you. So keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and take a look at the news and all that good stuff, and then we will do a breakdown. Let me just shut this one second. All right, cool. So does that make sense? Does that make sense, gang? That's the mentality that you want, Even if this year was just a year for you to build up data and build up confidence and experience, it was a W year for you. And, I like the term trade for tomorrow. I also really like the term trade for next year. Right, so let's continue to trade for the future, making sure we're doing great things here in the present, and we will be on our way to 8-figure traders. Y'all ready? All right, give the stream a like if you haven't. Let's go through the news. Let's see what we got popping off here today and this week, and then we'll open up the charts and do a top-down analysis. So let's go ahead and we'll remove the monthly record as well. Let's do that. Adios, 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 and adios. All right, cool. Perfect. All right, so let's take a look. Today is the first day of July here, right? July 1st, coming in hot. So welcome to a new month. And today we've got some news, actually. So it is Monday. It is the first day of the month. And we do have some news ahead of us. So we have some ISM manufacturing news coming in here later, right? This PMI stuff. So you'll see that coming in at 10 a.m. We do seem pretty clean around 8:30 and 9:30 today, so it shouldn't be much of an issue around those times for us. But you do have some, red folders, orange folders, and yellow folders a little bit later around 10 a.m. By the way, if you guys have been studying candles and the size of candles, one thing you'll notice is 10 a.m. has been that candle. Right, 10 a.m. has been that monster candle. It does shift from time to time. Usually it's going to be like 9 a.m., but recently it's been 10. So keep an eye out there at 10 a.m. Eastern for a lot of volume, right? That's what the candles are showing us. That's what the markets are showing us. And, that's what we've been able to find out recently, that 10 a.m. has shifted and has been the biggest candle so far this year. So keep that in mind. And typically 10 is going to follow 9. So keep that in mind. That's just some research I was doing a little bit this weekend. And let's go ahead and take a look at what we got here on Tuesday. So Tuesday, we've got some more red folders. right? We got some more red folders here on Tuesday. You've got Pal speaking. You've also got the Jolts job opening. That's all going to be taking place here at 9:30. So 9:30 should be very interesting here on Tuesday. Other than that, you've got a couple yellow folders, and that's about it in terms of Tuesday. But right out the gate here, Monday and Tuesday, we've got red folder news, right? So let's take a look at Wednesday here. Wednesday is, yeah, they're going to put unemployment. So they're going to shift Wednesday's unemployment claims. Thursday's unemployment claims over to Wednesday this week. You also have ADP coming in as well. And you have some, some stuff later on going on with the Fed. Thursday is going to be a big bank holiday, so we're not going to live stream here Thursday. All banks will be closed here in the U.S. for Independence Day, 4th of July, so nothing going on Thursday. And then Friday, we've got NFP. So this is a big week. Big week in terms of fundamentals, in terms of red folder news, in terms of volume. And guess what? We love volume, right? We love volume. So this should be an amazing week here for us in the charts. But that's about it. So keep in mind, no stream on Thursday. It's going to be a big bank holiday. So other than that, let's run it, man. It should be a great week. Time to have some fun. Let's go ahead and keep an eye out for 10 a.m. news today. And let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. What do you say? Let's do it. Let's look at the lovely weekly candles here. What up, Xander? What's good, bro? What's up, Shelly? Shelly, them 10 a.m. candles, right? Them 10 a.m. candles been big. What up, Jamil? All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly. Let's do a top-down analysis here and get the day started. So taking a look at this weekly chart, right? Oh, let me just send Zoom out too. Sorry, guys. All right, Zoom's good. Yeah. All right, cool. We're good. So let's do a top-down analysis here. Let's break it down and see what we got going on. So let's take a look at the weekly chart here, because as you can see, the weekly is just, printing sideways here, right? Not really doing much. We know that we just finished up this incredible bullish rally, and now we're just kind of, consolidating, trying to find our footing, trying to find where we want to go. So we know that we do have a support level right here. We also have a resistance right here, and this is basically the range that we're currently trading in, right? So you got support, you got resistance. Above that resistance is a pretty clean range. Outside of these wick rejections, it's pretty clean, right? We'll keep those wicks in mind as targets, but if you do get a weekly candle to close here above the range on Friday, you should be good to probably continue up here, right, and start moving up. This should be a very aggressive weekly candle, being that we do have a lot of red folder news. We also have NFP in this weekly candle, so this should be a pretty aggressive candle. Whichever way it does go, it should be a pretty big boy. So we want to see what we're gonna do on the weekly. Right now, you want to hold on one sec. All right, music should be good. I'm gonna pretty much lower it all the way. So pretty much we're stuck in this range, right? So this is our range now. We know that there's clean range above. We also let me grab this one. We know that there's clean range above. We also have clean range below, but this right here is just, yeah, not the hottest, right? So we really want to see a breakout here by the end of the week and see which direction we can go. In order to have breakouts, we need high volume. We need some fundamental catalyst, right? And we've got that coming in this week. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily, because the daily is just as pretty as the weekly, man. So we've just been really consolidating here for the most part on the daily time frame. You did close very weak doji-ish on Friday, so we don't have much direction, right? So I think we still have a resistance here. You still have a support sitting right here, and now we're going to see if we can find our footing on the daily, right? I think we broke the low there at some point during the London session. So if we're breaking that low, then there possibly could be some sells today, right? We're coming up to the highs. We'll see what happens at this wick high, but if we do start to reject and pull back and break that low, you should see a move down towards like 2300 today. So let's go ahead and see what the 4 hour looks like. 4 hours juicing up with no bottom wick. We have a support right here. We also have resistance. Oh, it looks like we gapped here on the open last night, and that's your 4 hour range. So look what's above and below that 4 hour range, right? What do you see? You see just beautiful, beautiful clean range on the way up, beautiful clean range on the way down. If you're not in these buys yet, right, these probably started during the London session, then what are we going to say here? Well, we're going to say, what are we approaching the desk like today? Is the 4 hour tapping into target, or is the 4 hour going towards a target? Right? In my opinion, I think the 4 hour is beginning to tap into this target right here. If I was in a buy position from right here, I would be closing my trade, right? Or at least closing partials of that trade right here. So what we want to pay attention to is, how are we going to react here? How are we going to react at 23.35 on the 4 hour chart? The 1 hour candle closed with no top wick here. So let's see what happens on this candle. We're going to tap into this final area here. And if we begin to reject, then we may be looking to say, okay, well, the 4 hour candle has tapped target in the first 2 hours. What could we expect the next 2 hours to do? Right? And if we are expecting the next 2 hours to potentially tap target and pull back, then we're going to look for signs for those pullbacks on the 30-minute / 15-minute time frame here. So there's one sign right now, or two signs I should say. Number one, the 4 hour, right, being that there's 2 hours left and we already are tapping into target. The second sign is going to be this 1 hour candle closing with no top wick. Right? What do we know about once candles start closing with no top wick? Most times, not all the time, but the next candles will begin to die out, right? Die out, and that's where the fall will begin. So we'll see, right? We've got two little clues here right now as we approach the desk. We'll see what happens on 30-minute closures here and go from there. You got a 30 closure in about 7 minutes. So very, very clean move, man, above here. So this is a big zone that we want to pay attention to. So I'm going to look for potential buys above 23.35 here, and then sells are pretty valid up here, you know. And the only reason I'm saying that is because we're tapping into target, right? So if this target was, let's say, up here, so let's say it looked like this instead, right? You had this candle up here and the next one here, right? I would not be saying, oh, it looks good for sells right now, right? But because, so right, if we still had room to go, I wouldn't really consider sells where we are right now. But being that resistance is right here and that's where price is coming up to, we could say, okay, well, maybe we're tapping target, previous 1 hour closing with no top wick, and then we'll see how we react here. So I like closures above look really good, but I want to see if we close below, if we can get a new resistance and then potentially take price down for this pullback, and then kind of, you know, get out and re-advise after that. So that's what I'm going to be looking at here today for gold. Let's see what happens in this 23.35 area, but buys look pretty clean above there, but the sells also look fire too. So I'm gonna put my support right here, and we'll see if we can get closures below there. Yep, and we're gonna stay out of this range because we can't take buys here because there's resistance, and we can't take sells just yet because we're still bullish, right? So if you can get a candle that closes below, then I think sells are decent for a 4 hour pullback, just like this. And then we could expect the next 2 hours to potentially pull back, so that way that 4 hour candle can leave a wick for the next 4 hour candle to potentially follow, since we're breaking the daily highs, or at least coming up to them. Cool. So that's it. That's the day. We'll see if we can. I feel like the last 3 or 4 days we've come to the desk and it's just been a uptrend, right? Just been a steady move up with no ranges or no price action whatsoever. So let's just hang tight here and wait to see how we react towards 35, and if we can close back below 33, I think that would be best to take sells. Cool. That's the game. 4 minutes left on a closure, and we'll see what happens. All buys, man. All buys. London boys are eating. We don't have a lot to work with right now because we just have bullish candles. So we don't have much to work with. We just have this bullish move up, and that's it. And some information to the left. Last time we closed below, you did have a nice push down. Closure below, push down. Closure below, push down. Rejections off here, pushes down. Rejections, pushes down. Closure below, push down. Closure in that area, push down. Or yeah, closure below, you push down there. Same thing here. Yeah, so 23.33 is where I'm going to look for potential sells with the idea of that 4-hour candle pulling back. This candle can close with no top wick. That'd be awesome as well. All right, what up, Pablo? What up, my peeps? Anyway, so now we can chill, talk, and hang out until price starts to print in our favor, right? Once it prints in the direction and in the way we want it to, that's when we execute, right? We're going to be master negotiators here today. So I hope you're ready to negotiate. I hope you're ready to stick to your deal, right? The market's going to give you a bunch of deals. It's going to throw 10, 15 deals at you today. But you're going to be soft and jump at every deal, or you're going to be tough. You're going to be tough in your negotiation, right? You're going to be a top G negotiator today and only take the deal that you want, right? It's either our deal or no deal. Our deal or no deal. Don't be soft, man. Don't get hustled. No top wick is not good. So the one thing that we know about candles, right, is that 85% of them will look something like this, right? So they'll have a top wick, they'll have a bottom wick, and a body. And what this top wick right here represents, this top wick here represents a range, right? And that range is for the next candle to be able to fill, right? So that's why you hear the term wick fill, for the range to fill, right? So a lot of times when price doesn't have a top wick, right, that means that there's no range, right? So if there's no range, what will typically happen, not all the time, is price will kind of push up. It'll look for that range, not be able to find it, end up turning around, and then, you know, begin to drive down. So that's typically what you're going to get from candles that close at no top wick. And then sometimes you'll get candles like this to eventually, you know, instead of doing that, they'll push up instead. But we'll see, right? We'll see if this one starts to pull back now. And a lot of times when you look back like 4 or 5 candles and you look back, you'll notice that everything kind of stopped at that candle that closed with no top wick, and that's where the momentum began to die out. So sometimes you'll still get a push. Most times you won't, though. You see this guy closing no bottom wick on a bearish candle. He ran down, you know, no range to fill, and he came back up. Yeah, we gapped on the open, it looks like, yesterday. What's up, Rob Trades? Good morning, man. J4 Trades in the house. Rob Trades in the house. Raul Trades in the house. Gotta Trade is in the house. Well, damn. Traders trade. Everyone's trading out here. Okay. All right. What up, Nico? Nico's whistling out here. Cut it out, Nico. Can we check charts for stream? Yeah, we'll take a look. What up, Swifty? What's up, Ayush? Traders trade. Damn. Speaking of traders trading, let's take a look and see what charts for stream's looking like. See what charts for stream is looking like. All right, we got gold buys here during pre-London. Oh yeah, see, this is the perfect fade. This fade is the best one right here, where you have that exhaustion wick all the way down, right? Especially, you see how he has this zone here? That's why I was like, that's why there's many times where I told you, yeah, we got to tap back into that zone, right? And that's the zone, right? And then once this candle breaks the high, it's on. So this is a perfect trade. 30 didn't have a top wick either. Okay, very close. No new 4 hour. Had a very little bottom wick. Yup, putting the clues together, telling the story from time frame to time frame. Entered on the second break. Oh, stop loss hit, gave it a second chance. Yeah. So by the way, gang, the fade you might take some extra losses on, right? Number one, we're still figuring it out. Number two, you're still at the end of the day going against, right, the bigger move, the higher move, the idea of like the bias, right? But the one thing that we're looking at is what zones are we in, right? Are we tapping into that bias's major zone that I was looking to hit? Because just like the 4 hour right now is bullish, right? But we can also say we're tapping into a resistance, right? So yeah, we're bullish, 4 hour, but we're also tapping into a resistance. So just because we're bullish doesn't necessarily mean that we should buy on the next candle, right? Especially if we're at the top of the zone here. So understanding where you are in the zone is what is the big pickup when it comes to the fade play. So, you know, coming back to this, understanding that we were in that zone, right? That's where he gave the trade a shot. And again, it pushed down on him because we're still going against that, right? And that's okay. AUS, you're going to see that from time to time happen, but it's very wise to give this trade a second chance because, you know, you may be off about the timing, but knowing that that zone's being tapped, it's just a matter of time before it gets rejected there. So yeah, sometimes you will take a L originally because you're off a little bit on the timing, but way to give this one a second chance, and you were right about the direction, right? Just a little early. So good job, bro. Great trade. This is the best one right here in my opinion when it comes to like the fade. Like this is the best pattern. Big rejection, small candle, nice break of the high, boom. That's your ride up. Yeah, good job, bro. Oh, it looks like Chala took it too. Is this Chala? Yeah, I can tell Chala's charts. Nice. Took this buy after a candle close, repeated, supported bullish. Yep, perfect. Yeah, great trade, Chala. Same thing. Good job. Look at right up back up to that resistance. Target taps and then begins to drive back down again. So beautiful. Both of you guys seen the same opportunity. Major W. So let's see this one. This is going to be gold sells London Open. Okay, cool. So London Open. All right. 30-minute candle. Yeah, so that was after the buy. And then now you so gang, we could play this target tap concept all day long, right? It's almost like we're playing with the charts right now. So let's stay professional. Let's not get too confident with this, but we unlocked a gem this year. I just want you guys to know that, right? So for those of you guys who aren't catching on to this play yet, I highly recommend you start paying attention to it. I highly recommend you start studying it and really going and you know, making yourself familiar with this idea, because I'm looking around at sometimes now and I'm just like, is anyone seeing like that this is too easy? Right? You know, not to sound confident, but just say like, anybody else reading price the way I am? I mean, it's almost like staring at us right in the face at this point. So, you know, we unlocked a big gem here this year, which is understanding the idea of this move. So, you know, for those of you guys, like I said, keep studying it, keep growing in it, and, you know, sample sizing it and doing what you have to do to understand it, because it pops off quite a bit, right? Quite a bit of time. So, good job, bro. Good job. What else? Gold sells. They're in London. Let's see. What's this? This is 30-minute closed bear. Okay, closed bullet range. Okay, nice job. Yeah, nice. Nice sells. Nice breakout. What else we got here? This is going to be previous 1 hour candle closed with no wick. All right, next candle created top wick, drove down. Oh yeah, right here. Yeah, nice. So another impulse move, right? Seeing the signs, right? The signs that the candles are throwing at you and picking up off of those clues, right? That's why we're talking about this candle right now with no top wick. We're talking about it for a reason, right? Because it's potentially a clue that we could pick up on to say maybe we're beginning to shift in direction, right? So yes, another great fade or impulse idea there, and yeah, great trade. What up, Edson? Yo. What up, Sandman? All right, I think we got one more here. Let's take a look. AUS again. All right, 4 hour broke previous 4 hour highs, came down, retracement, 30-minute form, new support form, enter on the break of the previous 30-minute high. Okay, cool. Yeah, another good one. So my man caught buys here, sells here, and then more buys here. How you doing? Yo, where do you live? Where do you live? You have to live somewhere where trading every session is doable. Where you at? Dubai? Man, I wish I can trade. It's either, I would say Dubai. He's either in Dubai, India, or I'll say Dubai or India. Yeah, India's fire. I'm about to move to India. Yeah. Start trading every session with my boy Ayush. India. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. South Africa's fire too, man. You guys got great time zones over there. Dudes be having a casual breakfast and then trading Asian and then London and then New York. Sheesh. I wish. Chala, you got room for me at the crib? You got a spare room? I'll come sleep on Chala's couch for a little bit. Grab a come up. Yo, you got room on the couch, bro? Any new info on what? What is that? I'm not even sure what that is. I got full home for you, sir. Let's go. Yo. Hey, we got friends in India, man. Playbook 2 is good. Glad you guys are enjoying the Playbook 2.0. Anybody who hasn't seen that video, man, I think that video has ran up numbers too. I think we're like 4,000 views on that video already. So W to you guys going in there, studying it, and taking it serious. And I put a good 40 minutes into that too, where, you know, most people, if you see a video titled The Playbook, they're going to start off with their setups and this is my setup, right? But nah, we giving you the ideas behind it, the way we came up with it, the reasons for it, everything, right? Everything, not just the technicals, but the mentality and the mindset behind it, man. So I don't really see anyone else doing that. So shout out to you guys for taking advantage of it and studying it like crazy. This is what we call a high or low. Yeah, damn. Yeah, 4.4K in 4 days. Holy. Beautiful, chat. Beautiful. I got some sauce for you guys. I got some sauce. So we potentially have some dates for the boot camp. It's pretty much, I don't want to call it a boot camp. I want to call it like a 2-day webinar. So it's going to be very similar to like the boot camp, only it's mainly going to be focused straight up on technicals. Focused on mentality, mindset, and the approach to the markets. Right, so we're not going to talk about any fundamental stuff this time. We're not going to talk about any like mindful things this time. We're going to talk straight business, straight technicals, straight mentality, and approach to the desk. I want to really talk about a lot of the new things that I've been finding in the markets through my study, through my sample sizing, and my own dissecting. I also want to talk with you guys about some new ideas that I'm looking into when it comes to entries and things like that. I also want to really share pretty much everything that has just made a significant improvement in my trading, in my record since February, right? The last time we all really got together on a bigger boot camp was in February. So it's going to be a really good one, jam-packed from literally the starting bell to the ending. So I think we're going to do that. We have a few dates in mind. I think the date was... Is TK here yet? I don't know if he's here yet. I think the date was going to be... and this isn't like in stone yet, but It's gonna be the 27th, I think. Yeah, the 27th of July. So towards the end of the month. Yeah, I'm hoping, the reason I'm putting it towards the end of the month, I was actually thinking about just popping off next week. But I want to see if we can get, so we've got close to 40 trades on the fade idea now. I want to see how close we can get to, you know, we're definitely going to get over 50, but, you know, as close as we can to 100, right? So that way we can study those trades together, review the statistics and, you know, the data on those together during that webinar. And yeah, it's going to be fun. We're not going to cut into any trading days either. It's going to be a Saturday, and a Sunday. Yeah, the boot camps we have to cut into, because those are 3 days, right? So those we have to cut into a trading day, which is like typically we cut into Friday, and this time we're gonna trade Friday, and then the webinar is gonna be on Saturday and Sunday, and it'll probably go for about 2 to 2.5 hours each day. Just me. You're stuck with me. You guys are stuck with me, chat. What up, YOLO Trader? What's good? What's good? Yeah, let's hold on. There we go. Yeah, how to tell a story from time frames. Yeah, maybe I could do another video. That we'll be talking a lot about that actually in that webinar as well in late July. So we're gonna really nail down a lot of different things. That we've been talking about. And yeah, the bootcamp will be recorded. Yup. Yeah, how many guys have been to any of our boot camps? We've done 2. We've only done 2. So this will be like our 3rd time getting together in like a smaller group setting, which I think is going to be super dope. Yo, what's good, Zoomers? What up, C Melly? C Melly, did you play golf this weekend? Bootcamp pricing, it's probably just gonna be the same thing we always do. So I think, what was it last time? I think it was like 60 or 70 bucks. Yeah, it's gonna be super cheap. Super cheap. You gotta pay the fee on the boot camps. Boot camps ain't free. Too much sauce. Too much knowledge. The price probably should be 700, but we'll keep it like 70 bucks. How you doing, Andrew? Sandman. Sandman's been saying that since the first boot camp, man. Yeah, I'm happy for you, bro. You got to pay the fee. Yeah, the boot camp, you got to pay the fee. Yeah, it'll be like 70 bucks. Probably the same. I'm not going to like raise a price, or it's probably like the same, whatever it was last time. I think it was like 70 bucks. Yeah, we'll have those links out this week. Everything will be on the website over the next like day or two, but I just wanted to give you guys the quick announcement, and before everybody else finds out about it. Limited seats only. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, we'll keep the seats open. There'll be unlimited seats. So we're not just gonna be like, I love some of the webinars I've attended. They'll be like limited seats only, and then like they'll be like a few more seats, and then it'll be like, all right, we've got such demand, we're gonna open some more seats. Like, dude, it's an unlimited Zoom call. I already know that. So yeah, so we're gonna do unlimited. Anybody who wants to come, come whenever you want. If you want, yeah, we'll be there. How to join the bootcamp? I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys posted on it. Yeah, that more news for that will come out this week. All All right, so we did not close above here, gang. So 7:30, we did not close above. We're just hanging out. We could wick up into 39.40ish, of course, but we'll see what happens here, right? This is the area in which we want to see a closure above. We haven't gotten that yet. We've also been rallying here since what time? 4 a.m. So we've been rallying for the last almost 4 hours here. So we'll see what happens here. John's living? Where's John, man? I wonder if John's showing up today. I wouldn't expect him to take a day off. I'll tell you that. I would expect him to be here for sure. Even on vacation. The kid don't miss. But let's see. Let's see. Oh, he's in Zoom? Oh, damn. Okay. Look at look at this guy, yo. Chat, hold on. Oh, man. You're funny, bro. All right, everyone. Bright and early before NY Open here today, Mr. Johnny Gems himself. How you doing, John?
How you doing? What's poppin', dog?
Chat, you want to be a successful, profitable trader? You want to trade from the beach in a lounge chair every single day? Umbrellas, right on the dock, live in freedom? Join our next boot camp. We're going to teach you how to do it. What up, John?
Hey, you better.
Nice shirt,
Don't miss
bud.
out. What's up, brother?
How you doing?
Thanks, bro. How you doing?
Do you
What's up,
want
man?
your
Hey,
hair
good from
blowing
here,
in the
bro.
wind pre-New York like Johnny Gems? Tune in to our next boot camp. It is only $1,499.99.
That's hilarious.
Yo,
What's
What's up?
poppin'?
how's the trip going?
What's good, bro? Trip's going great, man. It's been awesome.
Dope.
Yeah, man. The beach has been awesome.
Weather's
We
been nice.
Weather's been pretty good, yeah.
Yeah.
It rained a little bit yesterday, but sun came out, so it ended up being a great day. But
Lovely.
yeah, man. Went to the boardwalk too yesterday. Did some mini golfing. It was been great.
You hit mini golf?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Yeah, man. We'll probably do
won?
some mini golf too later. Me, of course, bro.
You did?
Yeah.
All right. Just making sure.
Come on now.
Just making sure.
Come on. You can't be serious.
Oh, man.
But bro, can't miss a day, dude. Got goals out here, man. You know. Got
I
to
wouldn't expect you to miss a
continue to
day.
get better every day.
Yeah, if
Nah,
you would have
man,
missed.
I can't afford that right now.
Yeah, if you would have missed a day just because you're on vacation, I mean, that would have been pretty soft.
Yeah, it would have been very soft, bro. I can't do that.
Some of
Chat,
you
what do I
guys,
look like doing that?
some of you guys in chat hit me up.
Nick, I have a cold today. I don't think I'm gonna be on the live stream. My nose is real stuffy.
So what? You can't look at your phone in bed?
Right? It's like, dude, it's the easiest job. I'm laying on a beach chair right now. We're chilling.
Oh man, just messing with you guys.
Yeah.
Just messing with you guys.
No, yeah. We do a little trolling.
We like to troll, you know. We do.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little
But
trolling.
yo, what's good, chat? I didn't say good morning to y'all. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are having an incredible morning. Another day, Nick, to be a professional trader, bro. Let's plant these seeds, bro.
Yes, sir. Another day,
Get
another
it.
month. But
New month. Yeah, happy July. Let's go.
yeah, man. Let's get it. July. Months are just made up things too. So let's just keep doing what we're doing. You know, nothing really changes. Let's just keep running it up. All
Yes,
right.
sir, bro. That's the beautiful thing about it. Nothing changes.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Speaking of trolling,
What's
the
good,
debate
Jap?
is epic. Oh man.
Yeah. Don't mind the wind in this one, chat. It's gonna be crazy.
The wind's going crazy. Johnny boy trading from the lounge chair this week, chat. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kids living the life. I want to
I'm
be
lounging
John.
it out.
Damn, see Melly, you weren't
Thanks, man.
lying.
I want to be you.
Oh man. I actually
Yo,
didn't play that round
let's-
on Saturday, see Melly. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't get home till 5
didn't?
o'clock in the morning. It was crazy. I was out all night.
Oh yeah, you had that tattoo appointment.
Yeah, it was weird. I was normally wake up at 5, and that day I was just heading to bed at 5. It's like haven't fell asleep at 5 a.m. in a while.
That was Saturday night, right?
That was that
you
was
got your
Friday night.
Okay, all right, but so it was Saturday when you went to sleep at 5.
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
but
And then Saturday I woke up at 10 a.m. So I had to do stuff. You know, I didn't have time to just hang out, lounge, and lay around like a rock. You know, I had to do stuff. So I had to get up at 10 and get moving. And then Saturday night I was like, all right, I'm just gonna sleep in till whenever tomorrow for Sunday. So slept in, felt like I was well rested, like it was time to wake up. I thought it was like 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, no lie. And it was 6 a.m. So I'm like, oh, damn. All right, well, let's get moving.
damn.
Yeah.
Let's get it. Let's get to it, bro. Yeah, you got people counting on you. Got to get up and after it.
Yeah, man. Raja Live, everyone
Z
go
Gamer.
there. Simplify. Why would you say that? Please,
Hey, bro. That was
just tell me.
a little disrespectful. No.
Hey everyone, Raja's live. Run there. Like
damn.
just want to try and like kind of get it through my brain. You know what I mean?
All right.
Like I'd never say that. Like to actually sit there and look down at the keyboard and type that. Like I don't know. I just would never do that in someone else's chat.
Imagine if you did it in your chat.
Simplify going full margin.
Seriously.
Wow, this thing is blasted off.
Full send. Yeah, for real, bro. I was looking at the 7 a.m. closures I was looking at the breakout at 7 a.m. but no top wick.
Yeah,
So easy decision there. Easy financial decision, no trade.
Easy peasy.
Huh.
Easy peasy. Johnny's on the beach again, yeah.
It's good. Z Gamer, what's up, Xander? Louis G. It's goody.
Hugo.
Oh, at the beach again. It's a vibe, chat. It's a vibe.
What up, Felix? Simplify, talking simplify. Man, you gotta simplify your trading, man. You're looking at two monitors right now. How are you even doing that?
He doesn't know.
Hey, Chad, I tried doing that once. Kid you not. I had Don up and I had Raj up. And my eyes were like about to explode out of my head. I even had like one headphone in like one ear. So I would make like my left monitor would be like Don, let's say, right? So I had this left head what are they called? Headphone? Yeah, headphones in on my left ear. I had Raja on the right. I had Raja in my AirPod on the right ear. Bro, I thought I was about to, I don't know. I thought I was about to meet Jesus.
Bro, Nick, supposedly watching 2 trading streams at once is equivalent to being Joe Biden.
Yeah, I'm like, da, 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 da. And then all of a sudden,
You don't
Don's
even
like,
know what
man,
you're doing.
Don's like, this is a beautiful buy position. Here we go. And Raja's like, oh, baby, this thing is about to drop. And I'm sitting there like, my mind was
buy
fried.
or
Like
sell?
it just came out of a microwave. Stuck.
And you're like, buy or sell.
Stuck. I'm like, well, damn. Yeah. Duh.
Now
I guess I'm hedging.
Now he's doing eeny meeny. Now he's doing eeny meeny miny mo to make financial decisions.
You got me over here flipping coins.
Uh,
Don's heads, Raja's tails. Man, some of y'all be going crazy.
yo,
Had me over there
good morning, the
flipping,
blessed trader.
flipping coins, dude, with a window of opportunity before my child was born to make this thing happen. What an idiot. Oh my God. Forgive me, man. I was being such a dummy.
You're forgiven. It's all good. That's the beginner trader journey. The blessed trader, yes sir, bro. That's why I got into trading, man, for financial freedom, bro. Period.
Facts.
To make money on my phone.
Go, Brandon.
It's that googly eyes.
Oh yeah, googly eyes. I forgot about that dude, man.
Pull them up.
Googly. Oh, by the way, chat. So switching topics here. So thanks, Hugo. Bro, I need to have a top 1 account to get the giveaway account. Yes. So listen, we're gonna start this tournament. All right. For those who wanna get involved in the tournament, pay attention here. We got 3 minutes anyway for a closure. NY Open's gonna happen. Let's talk about this really quick. So if you want to compete in the tournament, which is gonna be a 5-week trade-off, and basically what's gonna happen is there's gonna be 32 players, all going 1 versus 1 for 5 weeks. We are going to basically track your score. We're gonna have a leaderboard and everything. So Top One's gonna sponsor this. Top One's gonna send us a leaderboard every day, and Monday through Friday is gonna be basically the game, right? So whoever has everyone's gonna be trading on a 100K account. Whoever has the most percentage at the end of the week wins, right? Now we took off the profit margin, but we kept the max daily drawdown on. All right, so that's to say, don't over risk, don't do anything stupid. If we take the max daily off, then you guys are gonna go crazy. So we don't want it to be something like that. So there's still gonna be a max daily. If you breach your account, you're out. You know, if you breach your account, you're out the game. So basically what's gonna happen is you're gonna have 32 teams starting, and then we're gonna go all the way down. So I think it's like 32 to like 16 or something, and then 8, 4, and 2. Right, the winner. So we're gonna do the winner. So we're actually gonna do the top 3, but top 3 winners are gonna get $200,000 account. Second place is gonna get $100,000 account, and then third place is gonna get a $50,000 account. So this is gonna be awesome. Now pay attention here. The way to enter, if you want to be one of the 32 that are gonna compete, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a link that Top One's gonna create for us. In this link, you're going to be able to get a $100,000 account for free, and you're going to enter into the open tryout, right? So as you enter in the open tryout, the top 32 will advance into the game. All right. So it could be 500 of you guys that sign up on this free 100K account to compete, but the top 32 will advance and they will compete for the 200, 150K accounts. All right.
Wow.
Now,
so first place is 200.
Yeah, first place is going to be 200K. Right. So these are life-changing accounts here. Yeah. So now, look, let's say you don't make it to the top 32. We wanted to do something special for you guys just because you're participating in the game and putting yourself out there. Let's say you don't make it into the top 32, or even if you do, you will receive 50% off of your next Top One challenge that you would buy. Right, so if you buy, so just for signing up and getting this account, so even if you don't want to play and you're just trying to get another funded account, like just sign up and you can get 50% off a challenge, any size challenge you want. So yeah, man, so it's gonna be fire. I'll keep you guys updated. We'll get the link set up here, and yeah, I think all week what we'll do is we'll have this open tryout. So if you guys want to get in, you'll have all week to get your accounts and get going, and then next week is going to be the tryout. So next week is going to be where everyone competes. There's going to be a leaderboard. You're going to be able to see where you're at position wise on the account in the competition, and then the top 32 on that leaderboard will advance. Yeah, and they'll go in and they'll play and they'll compete. So no one's doing this, man. No one's doing this. We're going to start this. And it's gonna be fire. Trust me. Soon. I'm gonna talk to some other guys. You know, like let's run this 2 or 3 times so we kind of like it's our thing, and then let me talk to some other bigger streamers and some other guys that I know, and maybe we start doing like TTE versus ASFX, right? So the top dog in TTE goes against the top dog in ASFX or something, or DVS, or like my boy I forget what's his LTA, right? Is Lorenzo is it LTA? Yeah, LTA. Yeah. So we'll see. You know what I mean? But we're gonna kick this off. We'll do it first in house and have some fun with it, and then we'll go from there.
Yeah, 50% off is a great deal. Crazy. It's really good.
Yeah. Yeah, and then regardless whether you make it into the competition or not, you get 50% off, you know, a challenge account. So yeah, it's gonna be fire. I can't wait. I'm excited.
Yeah, I'm excited too.
So everything has to be earned, right? Everything's got to be earned. So even to get in, because I was thinking about just picking out some people that I like, you know, some of my friends like Sandman and Louis G and, you know, Billy O'Neill and some of these guys, right? But we're gonna make everything have to be earned. So you never know. There could be 1,000 people that jump into that open tryout, and you've got to be in the top 32 to get a shot to play. So I think it's gonna be fun, man.
Hell yeah, bro.
I think it's gonna be lit.
Let's get it.
All right, so another candle closing with no top wick here. Back to the desk here. So NY open, right? Candle close. We got no top wick on this candle, no top wick on this candle. We may have a fake out coming in, right? We may start to reject off of the 4-hour wicks here. So let's see if we can get some sort of a 15-minute bearish closure or even a 30-minute bearish closure, and then see if we can kind of get price to pull back a little bit for us. The next buys,
tap target.
yeah, the next buys will come after a pullback and a new support. That's when the next buys will come. Not going to take buys up here. Yeah, the tournament's going to be sick. Trust me. When does it start? So this week we're going to share the link with everyone. So we're going to give everyone time to sign up. It's free to sign up. You're literally going to get a 100K account emailed to, credentials emailed to you. That account's going to be completely free. And that's the account that you're going to start to trade on Monday next week. And however many people are going to be in there, you're going to trade it. And let's just say it's 500 people. 500 people will trade it. The top 32 and percentage-wise will advance. I'll give you guys some tips and some things and some thoughts before the competition begins, just to put my little 2 cents in, and then you guys are free to trade how you want. But remember, you got to trade responsibly. You can't hit the max daily drawdown or the max drawdown for that matter. You're not going to know what your opponent has either, so you're never going to know. So you right, you may think you have to hit it big, but really you may just have to keep it slow and steady. So the idea is I want to see everyone play their own game, right? I want to see you guys play your own game, trade to the best of your ability, not knowing what your opponent has, and then, you know, see who's on top at the end of the week.
Bet. So then I'll just risk 5% on the celery play.
Hey, if that's your game, then that's your game. But if you
that's my game, chat.
If you hit max daily drawdown, you know, I don't want to hear no crying.
I won't, bro.
Hey, let me share sound for all my Zoomers.
Please do.
It's
getting quiet.
Yeah, we don't want to hear anyone crying, right? So
don't let that be you.
Strictly gold? Nah, you can trade anything you want. Any pair you want, whatever you do. We want you to do what you do. And we want you to do it to the best of your ability.
Oh. Trade like a beast.
Yeah, it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. So we
got
two.
Keep talking, bro.
Yeah, 2 big things. So we got the tournament, and then we got the 2-day webinar coming up. Yeah, all signups will be tomorrow. Yeah, we'll pin it in the Discord. We'll do all that. Yep. We got y'all.
The talk is cheap, the Don. Talk is cheap, bro.
The original Don Dada. All right, so we may start pumping down from here, right in this wick area on the 4 hours. So we'll see.
Yeah, Shay. This idea comes from, you know, someone who used to play a lot of sports too, you know, in baseball tournaments and stuff like that. So I think it's a great idea bringing it into trading.
Me too.
Very creative.
I think it's fun. I think it'll be fun. All right. So look, on the 15-minute, right? So the candle closed with no top wick. So I'm going to move my resistance up towards 2337 here. Let me just see something to the left. Yeah, so I'm going to have that as my resistance now. So depending on what we do, right? If we can create a new support and leave a wick, that's when I'll look for buys. But we may decide to push down here, right? Definitely down towards like 33, and if not a little bit lower here today. So let's keep an eye on what we got going on here. I think we got 8 minutes left. Yeah. So 8 minutes left, and we'll get a closure here.
It's time to display our patience, chat.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, the Don. I will trade from the beach. If there's a trade, I will.
Traders trade, bro.
Traders trade, dude.
Traders trade. You're the man? No, you're the man. You're the man.
Yeah, Grezer Gores. Sorry.
How do you say it?
I don't even know.
Grezer Gores. Grezer Gores. Yeah, I think that's how you say
Yeah,
it.
Grezer Gores. That helps me a lot. You know, if I'm ever close to like being tempted to break my rules or done for the day, just walking away helps out tremendously. Gets my mind on something else. Hey, we're about to get a lovely trade in on this lovely Monday, Nick.
Beautiful trade. Potentially. NY open.
Essentially.
Will I participate? I could, but I would like to leave the 32 spots open for someone else. I could, but that means one less person who can potentially come up with a 200K or 100K will miss out. So I think I'll
No, either way.
yeah, I think I'll just spectate. What do I think about Q Banks? I don't think about Q Banks unless I see him on a podcast or something, and then I like what he says. He's a good trader. He's been trading a long time too. I really like Q because one of the things I like about him is just number one is come up, but also like how he created like a brand and like a movement for other traders. So I like that about him. Call me Greg. All right, Greg. Gregski. Hey.
Gregski.
So what you can do, Greg or Gregski, is you can change your username unless you have to have that username on YouTube for like work or something. You can make your username Gregski. Yeah, Gregski.
I like that name.
Like my username is Time to Eat Trading.
Yo.
What tournament? Ah, man. I would just rewind the stream just a few minutes. We said a good amount.
We should have chat vote though if they would like us in the tournament or not.
Me and John could take 2 of the 32 spots. I'm down. But again,
it's just two people would be left without joining.
And those 2 people might win.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's true.
Yeah, okay, cool, nice. Nice. Yeah, shout out to all you guys studying the playbook video. Great video to study. Yeah, by the way, chat, Thursday there will be no stream. It's a major bank holiday here in the US. So there won't be any movement on gold on the 4th of July.
Oh yeah, 4th of July.
Thanks for the intro and the outro songs.
You got
I'm glad you guys enjoying, because that's where I can't monetize my stream, is because I play that music. So I'm glad you guys enjoy it.
You got any plans, Nick, for July 4th?
Not really. Probably just gonna, maybe we'll barbecue by the pool or something.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
What's up, Lights Fire? That guy TK in the house. What up, TK?
What's up, Lights Fire? What's up, TK?
Seems like there's been good volume. There has been good volume on bank holidays lately, yeah. I think 4th of July is a little bit more of like a actual bank holiday, right? This one, the last few weren't like those holidays were made up like 2 years ago, 3 years ago. But, you know, 4th of July has obviously been the big one. Christmas, you know, Thanksgiving, things like that. Oh, nice, bro. How'd your trip go? Nice trip with the wife? I'm planning a trip with the wife in August. I think August.
Gotta do trips with the wife. Get some more connection in there. Oh, you're doing a trip in August, Nick?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think we're gonna stay in Florida, but we're gonna go somewhere in Florida.
Nice. You don't know where yet?
No.
Nice. There's a lot of great vacation spots in Florida, so you'll be able to get one. You got a lot of options.
Yeah, one of the coolest things about Florida is, like, being that we have kids, we didn't really want to leave and go on planes and, you know, go. So there's places in Florida like where people go to vacation on the regular. So you got like vacation spots, vacation towns and communities in your own state. So it's pretty cool. You don't have to go far.
Yeah, man. And you be getting discount codes too for just being a Florida resident also at these vacation
right.
spots. Yep. So it's even more fire.
June was good. June was good. I posted the stats in I think the Discord. Yeah, June was good. We took about 40 something trades, man. Crazy.
July about to be better. Let's go.
Yeah, 49 trades, 39 wins, 9 losses, and 5 break evens. Yeah, there's 2 trades I forgot to add to the
49
spreadsheet,
trades is awesome.
or 1 trade, but I'll add it. I've just been lazy. What are you selling?
So almost
to?
50 trades in 1 month. That's crazy.
Yeah, man, that was the biggest trade and biggest amount of trades I've had in a while. Where are we selling to? So the targets here would probably be towards like 33, which would be right around like, bro, what's up with the pips here? 20 that. So I guess there's this means 29 now. So I guess yeah, so this is about a 29-30 pip range. Let me see. Yeah, like a 30 pip range here. So that would be the idea. Close partials there, and then see if you can get runners coming down, right, towards 23, 26. Yeah. And then yeah, you got clean ranges today. You got really clean ranges.
Definitely.
Really clean ranges today.
Yeah, markets look great.
They do. All right, so this candle closed. So let's see if we can make a top wick here, and then may have some sells coming up. Yeah, I think in this case, I'm going to use previous lows with like current stops, because I really want to see those lows break. Those are the 30-minute lows. 37. That's still not too bad. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna have sell stops here on the break of the previous candle low. Sell stop. Yeah. So maybe what we can see is price rejecting off those 4-hour wicks there, right, and anticipating the pullback for price to start coming down, right? So if you break that low again, chances are we're gonna start pulling back and close below the resistance here in about an hour. So we'll see if we can break that low, and if we do, you should see somewhat of a pullback here. Yeah, we want to keep it on the break of the, actually it's the break of this low right here, because we want to see that low break, right? So we came down, we could have just been making a bottom wick. You see how we respected the low? So we want to see that low break, and if that low does break, that's our opportunity to get into sells. Music's too loud? How about now? My last job begged me not to quit. Oh, damn. But only raised the pay 50 cents? Yo. Should have told him, put some respect on my name, man.
Give me some respect.
Where's John? He's at the beach, man.
I'm right here, brother.
He's right here. He's right here.
Sir, trading at the beach is a vibe. Can't lie.
I can, yeah, that's funny.
What's up, Muhammad?
Muhammad, what up, what up? All right, cool. So I've been activated here. So got into this position on the break of the low. Stops are going to be kept above the previous candle highs here. And then TP is going to be down here. Going to look to go break even right around 33. And then see if we can get it to run. Tell me 50 cents, man. I would have been like 50 cents. Say what? Yeah, isn't that funny? They come in there and they go, well, you know, we really want you to stay, and we want to show that we think you're valuable. So here's an extra 50 cents an hour. Like, what?
You wildin', boy.
You're like, oh, really?
Don't disrespect
You're gonna give me
me.
50 cents an hour? And they're like, oh, no, we meant that was on 50 cents added to your salary every year. Oh, yeah, okay. Crazy, man.
That is pretty crazy. Yeah.
I think my job wants me to quit. Oh, man. Yeah, you should have handed him the 50 Cent album. Be like, yo, listen, I'd rather get rich or die trying. I'm out of here.
Right? Don't let him talk to you like that.
We'll give you the pizza party. I'm stuck uploading my documents to Tradeovate. Did that happen to you? Yeah, I think how long has it been? It shouldn't take too long. Shouldn't take too long.
What, until he gets approved?
Yeah.
For trade of it? Yeah, I think it took me like a day or two.
Yeah, like a day
So,
or two. If you try doing it,
should be a pretty quick process.
yeah, and if you try doing it over the weekend, it's probably gonna take a little longer. BE is going to be, break even is going to be down here. Break even, and then partials will be right here.
$820. See.
820, 821, 822, 22, 23. Show up today at Monday, be like, yo, where's my check? I'm out of here. Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Got you, bro.
$15-minute fake out. Yeah, the idea is like a 15-minute fake out plus signs of rejection, right, off of these wicks here on the 4 hour. The 4 hour may pull back. It's got about 38 minutes left on it, right? So this 4 hour candle may begin to pull back here. Plus the 1 hour close, with no top wick. 30-minute candle close with no top wick. 15 close back in the range. Entered on the break of the previous lows, and yeah, that's the trade. What up, AB Mike? Jaguar? Yeah, shout out to Jaguar. Jaguar's probably here.
Maybe Mike. Yep. After huge move up too, and back-to-back candles closing with no top wicks also.
Yeah. No lie.
Me and probability's hands now, chat.
What up, Mark? How you doing?
Good morning, Mark.
Mark, how you doing, Mark?
Wait, Jaguar's in the chat?
Jaguar's always here. He's committed.
Bet. It's good, Jaguar.
Am I in? Yeah. What up, Mark? I'm in now, man. If you want to get in, this right now, you can get a better entry than me. But I'm in this. I took it on the break of the lows, so we'll see what happens here.
Hey, good morning, Mark. Happy you're here, bro. Good to see you.
Good to see ya, Mark. Good to see ya.
Could get a 15 celery too.
Yeah, 30 closure below would be awesome. I think the only way I manage this trade is if the 30 closes back above here. So that would mean that the 15-minute candle closing back above the range. That's the only way I'm getting out here. It's either that or full stop.
Yeah, I agree. I agree with that.
Because we are creeping on a pullback here.
Yes.
It's activated, right? Man, you guys are funny. Where you guys been? You guys weren't here when we took it? Or you guys just got here?
It's not activated. It's deactivated.
Yo, what's up, Melvin? Good morning, brother. Good morning.
What's up, Melvin? What's up, baby Mike?
AB Mike. AB Mike, what's the good word, bro? How was your weekend?
What's the good word?
Give us a good word of the day, AB Mike. Give us a word of the day.
Facts,
What's
bro.
it gonna be? On the spot.
You're on the spot. I used to hate when the teacher would put you on the spot. Like, he would be like, what is this answer to this question? He would just be like, Mr. Stewart. And just expect you to know it. That used to be the worst.
I'd be like, I told you don't pick on me, Bill. Okay, yes, Mr. Stewart.
Call him by his
Gotcha.
first name.
I had tenure over there.
Facts.
Oh, I think I missed the word of the day. Trust the
I've
process.
seen it. AB Mike, great word of the day. Facts.
That was my first IG post ever. Well, not ever, but first on my other IG. Trust the process.
It's one of my favorite quotes. Trust the process.
Man, if my mom could re-give me a middle name, I'd tell her put my middle name as Process. Nick Process Stewart.
We're always process focused here.
Look at this. Look at this. Let's go down. Let's go down. Let's take a walk down memory lane. Let's go ahead.
Yes, sir. AB Mike, that counts for sure. We all got our own process too, and everyone's process is different.
Trust the process.
That's a lot of things people don't do is trust their
Sheesh.
process.
268 weeks ago.
Damn, Nick, you've been on to it, bro,
And that was late in the game.
for a minute. Word.
That was late in the game. Trust the sauce. The sauce. Trust the
Trust the
sauce.
Hey, I love the process.
Yeah. Is this a fade? Not really. This just this an onion play. So it's like a 15-minute fake out / onion. If the 30 closes below, I think we're in really good shape here. Trust the process. That's right. Good one there today, AB Mike. Trust the process.
Hell yeah, AB Mike, let's go.
W.
Some people need to hear that, so W. Chad, don't mind my hair. It's crazy. The wind's blowing. Like, it's crazy.
Hey, not sure if you guys know, but we have a PDF of the playbook. So not sure if you guys knew that, but if you guys want, you can go in the Discord and you can grab this this PDF to print out or keep in front of you or use to your advantage just to kind of keep the trades in front of you if you'd like.
Hey, that's fire. Gotta be careful we don't close with no bottom wick here.
$15 giving heebies. 15 giving him heebies. Where could I find it? You can find it. I think it's in the traders chat room right now.
Why outside? Because being outside's a vibe, brother.
Oh man, we might close a no bottom wick here.
Ooh. That's a tough one.
Yeah, I gotta go break even on this chat. So I'm moving stops to BE, and if we get hit, we get hit because we got no bottom wick there. So it is what it is.
Yep.
It is what it
Try
is.
for us, Goldie.
So I'm break even. I'm going break even due to the fact that we got no bottom wick. That's the only reason I'm break even here. Other than that, I still think we could push down, but this no bottom wick may cause a problem here. So yeah, I'm B.
Okay, maybe we can drive with no bottom wick like Gold did with no top wick.
Yeah,
So-
let's get a push. Let's get a push.
Come on. Work in our
Give
favor
it
here,
to us
Goldie.
once while we're in.
Right? Yeah, re-break them lows.
Go against me this time. All right, go against what I teach right now.
Come on, gold.
No bottom wick means that there's less of a probability that the next candle will move down, because there's no range for that next candle to follow suit in, right? So a lot of times it'll poke down like it just did, and it will look and it'll say, homie, where's the wick that you left? And he'll be like, bro, I didn't leave a wick. And he'll be like, whatever, and he'll go back up. So we don't want that to happen while we're in the trade.
No, definitely not.
He's like, yo, you couldn't even leave me like a path, like nothing. So sometimes the candle says, well, you know, the hell with you, man, I'm gonna go up anyway. But most times it doesn't do that, only sometimes.
Yeah.
They say, I'm gonna make my own way.
Come on, gold. I have
I
a
don't
high
need no
feeling gold wants to
stupid
drive down for us.
previous candle to show me the way, right? It's like some of you guys. You guys are entrepreneurs. You guys are go-getters. You don't need to wait for permission.
Here we go, gold.
Yeah,
There you go. I think gold wants to be nice to us today.
Yeah.
It's a lovely Monday morning. Why not? I'm just going to let this smoke my TP if it wants to, chat. It's up to gold. It's up to gold if it really wants to. Let me see. Let's take a look at chat here. Yeah, chat. Is everyone still in here? Everyone went B. I just went B also, so. Still in it on my personal live account. Let's go. Louis G, thanks for gas money. Facts. Drive Goldie. Let's go, Z Gamer. Z Gamer's in this too. Let's go. If we re-break those lows, straight to TP we go. That actually worked perfect. The new current candle high is literally right at my B.
Hey, chat, with our powers combined, we can make gold go down.
Come on. Here it is.
So if you weren't B, this is where I would go break even. Now that we're tapping into that support, we may reject from there. So. Boom.
That closed at those supports.
We have to push through this zone here. So we have volume, right? We have volume. It really didn't come in this candle too much, so we could get that volume coming in this candle, but we are tapping into this area here, so that volume may push up. So that's why we're break even. Also, the fact that the previous one closed with no bottom wick. But if that volume does want to push down, we will blast through this zone here and this zone right here. And then we should come on down towards like this BE point. I mean, I'm sorry, partials point. I'm out. All right. What up, Ryan? What up, Ryan?
Yeah, I got out too.
I'm staying in.
Nice. I dig it.
Took half. Nice forex, Frank. Yeah, because this is only my break-even point anyway, so. We do have 9:45. Yeah, but that's not for a while. That's over an hour away.
Whole hour.
I'm still holding. I think I would have been out by spread now.
Definitely, bro.
This might tap me out.
This is forex.
Yeah, if this was like on a CFD offshore broker, I would have been out at like that flip.
Definitely.
Maybe it will, maybe it will. But I could see this being the rejection point, right? To where we create a new support. So that's why I'm break even.
Yeah.
But one thing I would say is if we do re-break that low there at the bottom, that should do it, and we should get a straight push down to 31 from there.
Yep.
No spread? No. It's coming. It might come here. Almost. I guess my entry's a little higher.
Still in. There's still life. There's still life.
We're still breathing. My entry must be sitting right there. Spreads or no spreads is coming. Yo, Usman. Let me live, bro. Let me live. Let me live, G.
Damn, Usman.
Spread or not, I think TP's coming. I think TP's coming.
There you go. That's a good mindset.
Full TP. I think 23, 26 is coming, man. It's going to happen in like a blink of an eye.
Oh, wow, bro. And it came right up, too. Almost
in a
broke.
blink of an eye. We're just going to blink, and next thing you know, it's going to be down at 26.
There you go. It's either you re-break highs or lows at this point.
Hey, we got last 15 too with the 4 hour coming, so we should pull back on that last 15.
There you go.
Big bush. Yeah, we should beeline it here to 31 now. Got 6 minutes left. It may wait for the 5 to close and then a straight run down there.
I want another trade.
Yeah, I think my break even's a little higher. I mean, I'm sorry, partials.
Definitely muddin. B is definitely better than L. W day for you.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. Yeah, because we could tap there and pull back easily. So, I mean, we had no top wick, so. I mean, I'm sorry, no bottom wick. So you're in a way, you're forced to go B there.
Definitely.
All right, partials have been taken. So close 80% of my position here at 29 pips, and we'll see if the rest can ride. W.
Nice, bro.
W, chat. Happy July. Let's go. Patience, patience.
Patience pays.
Some of y'all got B. All good, all good. It's whatever. All right, can we get a runner here? Can we get some
That was
runners?
lit, too, because it was like a pip from getting you out of B.
It really was.
That's fire.
It really was. W's in the chat. W's are stuttering. Where y'all at, man? You guys are sleeping here today. I think you guys hit B.
It's Monday, bro.
Yeah, I almost hit break even, too. Hey, there's been times where I hit B and you guys have all won.
Happy July 1st.
Oh man. Yeah, so partials is closed up at about what 30 pips or so. So closing up partials there, and then we should get a nice runner here. Yeah, we should pull back here last 15 of the 4 hour, and see if we can come down towards like 26. Oh, nice. Beautiful.
15-minute trade there. Nice.
That's why I said, you know, straight beeline down towards like 31 here. So this is perfect. We got a runner, Sandman. Yeah. W. Got 2 minutes left here for the closure of the 15. Let me close partials on top one, because I never did that yet. Yeah, great move here.
Damn, bleeder. Holy shoot.
Great move. I just closed full on top one too at 50 pips. Yeah, nice. Wow, look at that. Just missed me. Just missed me there. Sheesh. W trade. Let's see, can we drive down to 26 here? We got more room.
Already said, I know we have no bottom wick, but screw it.
Yeah. We definitely have more room. I would say 28's next here. But that doesn't mean that you take a new position out. Yeah, you. That don't mean that you just take a new position out now.
Oh, we're on to the next best trade now. We're going to be patient for our setup. Not just going to jump into anything prematurely. It's got to be our setup.
Yeah. Can you explain the trade? Of course. Yeah, let's let the candle close here in 50 seconds, and then we'll explain the trade. I'm probably going to move my stops and profit above whatever the high is here. So let's do that. Once we get a new high, I'm going to move them, probably going to move them up here. Oh, can you still move stops now?
You should be able to. I don't see why not.
It only says reverse. Can I move stops in profit and trail them here? Futures doesn't have a spread. It does. This is my spread right here. So kind of doesn't, I guess, but technically it does. It's like 0.1, 0.2. Click on the screen. On the screen. If you add a sell stop. Oh, okay. Gotcha. I think I'm going to close anyway right here. Yeah, I'm just going to close full right here. At 52 pips.
Lovely.
Yeah. Yeah, nice trade. Nice trade, gang.
W. Let's go.
Beautiful move. So let's go ahead and take a look and do a quick review and go over this trade real quick. So we came to the desk, right? And look, this is everything you hear me teach. So everything I teach is exactly what I do. So I'm not your guru on social media. I really am about this, right? I really am trying to find ways to make money in the markets and teach those ways to you guys so you guys can do it, right? I literally hold nothing back here. So 4-hour time frame, right? When we got to the desk, the 4-hour candle, we were able to say, are we going to target or have we tapped into target? And in today's case, we had tapped into target. We did push up a little bit extra, but then we were looking for opportunities to potentially catch sells coming back down, right? So first things first, was the 4-hour on its way to target, or had the 4-hour already tapped into target? Today, the 4-hour had already tapped into target, right? So now we're potentially planning on catching like this pullback here, right? So that's where the analysis really began, right? We're also, by the way, we're also bearish on the daily. So we never broke daily highs and we're beginning to pull back a bit. Now going over to the 1-hour. So we've seen the 1-hour candle close with no top wick. We didn't just take a sell here, right? We weren't just trying to call the top. We were waiting for good confirmation. Thank God we didn't, right? Because the next candle came up as well. And now this one closed with no top wick also, right? So now you got a candle closing with no top wick during high times of volume, NY open. We know that there's volume coming in. 30-minute also closing with no top wick. 15-minute closing back in the range, right? So this was our boom, right? Once this 15-minute closes back in the range, now our idea of the target being tapped and the 1-hour 30-minute candles with no top wick really comes into potentially forming up a play here. So with that closure here, this fake out, you now have some opportunities, right? So you have some opportunities to enter, let's just say on the open of the candle, or for me it was on the break of the previous candle low. So as that candle broke the low, that's where you potentially have your drive down towards, you know, these ranges in which we wanted to take partials at, and then potentially down here at 26, right? So we get into the trade. And as we get into the trade, we're flowing along, we're coming up, we're coming down, and this candle ends up closing with no bottom wick, right? So one thing we know is that if a candle closes with no bottom wick, like this, then there's a low chance that the next candle will drive, right? So immediately, this is where risk management comes in. You take your stop, we took our stops, and we moved it to break even. Right, this candle, expecting that this candle could potentially move up now. It did create a top wick. It did kind of like allow us to survive, which was good. And then we drove down. So same exact plan. The only reason we went break even when we did was just the fact that this guy here closed with no bottom wick. That was it. And that was the trade.
Yep.
And then you potentially will see 26 coming in here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yep.
And we also went with executing on the 15-minute over the 30 just simply because of volume, right? We knew it was NY open, volume coming in. And we also knew if we were getting in at 8:15 that we would be in there for 8:20, which was the comics open too. So more volume coming in as well. So just use the 15-minute there simply because of volume.
Yep. And this is how you can hang out and trade on a boat like Jon Stewart.
Yeah, man. W trade.
Yeah. And these are all going to be the concepts that we're going to talk about in the webinar. So if you guys aren't super familiar with it, you know, just by watching the trades play out, don't worry. We're going to do like super in-depth teaching on this in that webinar.
What's up, TK? Good, bro.
How come in top one I got BE, but you didn't? This isn't top one. This is top one. I didn't even have a stop loss. Yeah, this one is this is my Trade-O-Vate account. All right, here comes 26. 26 coming in hot. When's the webinar? I think we're gonna do TK. We didn't set a full date, but I think we're gonna go with like the 27th of July. 27th of July. Let's see. 4-hour coming back now. Massive rejection here. So look, go back to the morning, right? And go take a look at the breakdown. We talked about this exact scenario taking place here.
Great simple concept.
What's the webinar? The webinar is going to be similar to our previous like boot camps that we did, only it's just going to be strictly technical analysis and like just the mindset, like mentality to approach the markets with. Yeah, so we won't really be talking about any like fundamentals or like mindfulness activities on this one. It's just going to be straight up technicals. Exactly what I've been looking at and dissecting in the markets. And going over a lot of that stuff. Yeah, basically everything that's really significantly made a difference in my trading over the last, I would say, since February, March. We're going to talk about, because I think our last boot camp was in February, right? And we've had quite the run up here since February. So we have a lot to talk about and catch up on. So yeah, so we're going to be doing all that. And that's going to be probably like late July. Yeah, I don't have an exact date, but I'll let you guys know when. Beautiful move here, man. Beautiful move.
Beautiful. Yeah, man.
Yeah, we're also going to be
expecting
releasing
that, man.
The Eagle
with the higher
4000,
time frame
right,
read.
John?
Yes, sir. We releasing it. Chad, this is a great example how Nick uses the higher time frames to get a read on price and what it wants to do, and then he looks for that setup, right? The time frame confirmation on the time frame that he wants to take a trade on, which in this case was the 15-minute. He looked for that setup, which repeats itself over and over again, and he executed on that setup, which supported his thesis of what price wanted to do next by using the higher time frames. So I really hope you guys are looking at how he's doing this, right? Because he's making it look really simple. Big W's. And that's all we're doing, right? That's legit all we do.
Update the record. Oh. All right, yeah, let's update this. Let's just put this in. So this was July 1st. This was taken on... oh, whoops, my bad. That was what time we took that? 8:15, right?
8:15.
How does it feel to make money on vacation, John? Good times?
Feels great, bro. Yeah, man, it's awesome.
So
It just proves to me that I don't need a job to make a living, and that I can travel and make money at the same time.
And get scammed on TT live stream and still be very happy and have a good pocket full of money.
Nah, it's great though. It teaches me a lot though. Like, it really does.
Beautiful.
I even learned making money on vacation. It's crazy. You're always learning, chat.
I think that was 50, right? Yeah. Damn, she'd run. Yeah, we should come to 26 here. 26. That's your major support here on the 15, so yeah, about 50 pips. Trading made simple, man. Yeah, if you guys took that trade, give the stream a like. If you're not sub to the channel, subscribe to the channel for just more sessions just like this one here today. She Blade and Sandman.
Later.
How'd I survive BE? I don't know,
He's
but
got
you've seen
go.
it here live, brother. I have no idea. I guess I was at,
Maybe because
centimeter. I don't
maybe
know.
because we're in a regulated market.
Yeah, maybe because I'm actually participating in a real market and we get the price that we asked for.
Yeah, that may do it. That may just be it.
Man, y'all, there was so many times where you guys survived and I didn't though. So that's how it happens some days.
Right. Hey, Diddy boy, let's go, bro. Good stuff. I remember too when I first started my first account after 6 months of demo trading. So, let's go. Good stuff.
You done for the day? No
Wait,
way. No way. We got profits to play with now, brother. We got profits and original risk. So now it's on.
hell yeah. So now next trade's a free trade.
Yep. What's up, Jai Trader? Nice to see ya.
Yeah, and Diddy boy, I really like how you gave yourself a time and a season to learn the craft and the skill sets before you really focused on the money aspect. It shows that you're really caring about focusing on the skill set, and that's major key, right? Because the skill set's gonna make you the money. The money ain't gonna make you money unless you have that skill set to make it.
Yeah, you can have as many accounts as you want or as much money in an account as you want, but you can still get demolished out here. You can still get demolished. That's why it's a very humbling. A lot of people that join the elite program are pretty successful entrepreneurs in their other endeavors, but they struggle, right? They struggle when it comes to trading because this truly is not the game that you're playing out there, right? You can have all that hustle in you. You can have all that money on you. You can be able to fund it with $4 million, $5 million. But if you don't have the skill, it's not one of those things that you could just jump into, right? Like sometimes like other entrepreneurs, they'll launch a business, boom, it start taking off. They'll launch another business, boom, start taking off. But they get into trading and it's a very, very slow struggle because you have to learn how to kind of tune that mentality back a little bit and not be so go, hustle, but really very composed and sniper-like in your decision making on the charts. So yeah, that's what I love about it. It's like doesn't matter what you've accomplished up to this point, you know, you still got to earn it.
100%. Yep. And Earl Nightingale says the best. It's like, all right, you want money. Focus, figure out how much money you do want, then forget about the money and focus on the skill set that's going to make you the money, right? And then in trading too, it's completely opposite. It's like we all come in for money, but the successful traders don't focus on the money, and that's why they make money, right? So the profitable traders are only making money because they don't even focus on the money, right? And that's why I think since majority of the people fail is because they focus on the money. So it's a reprogram in the mind, you know.
Yep.
But yeah, it's very strange.
That it is. Hey, did I update you on the tournament, John?
Yeah, you explained it while I was up here.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah, nice move here. Nice move. So we have a 4-hour closure. So 4-hour candle is closed up. So let's get rid of all of our drawings. Let's forget about everything that just happened. Wipe that win away. The win's done. It's gone. It's history now. Let's go ahead and take a look at fresh price action. Let's pretend that we just arrived to the desk right here, right now. And let's do a top-down analysis and get a fresh idea of what price wants to do here. So taking a look here at the daily, right? We know that we're in this nasty range. So we've got resistance here. Right, we got lots of resistance here. We also have major support levels down here. Right now, we're just hanging around, you know, actually at more so at the top of this consolidation. Right now, yesterday, or should I say Friday's candle here closed bear. So Friday closed bear. We closed very weak doji, but I am bearish today, right? I do have an overall bearish bias where as long as you respect that high and break this low, this candle should move down. So potentially during the Asian and the London session, this candle was coming up to create a top wick, right? And now that it's respected that high, if it flips bear at this point, it could break the lows and then continue driving down. So we could potentially see this candle do something like this today, right? Now let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. So the 4 hour candle closed bullish, very weak bullish though, right? We tapped into that resistance and basically did exactly what we wanted it to do, pulled all the way back and closed weak bull here. So we are bearish on the day, we're bullish on the 4 hour. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is closed with no bottom wick, right? So you do have a support here on the 1 hour time frame that we didn't get to, but where did we tap into? We tapped right into 27, right around 26, kind of just shy of what we were anticipating. So candles closing with no wick. This 4 hour candle, if this thing could open up, right, and start pushing up, and maybe I would say get up towards like 31 here, and then re-break the lows, that should be it, right? That should be the move for the daily candle to start driving down. So my bias is shifting a little bit. I'm not too interested in the buys currently. I want to see if we could do like a very small to no wick attempt to run up and then break that low at 930. That should push the daily down, right? So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. So you got support. Potentially, you know, we can't leave that a support or make it a support yet. Let's see what the 30-minute looks like. So 30-minute does have like this level here, and then below there's pretty clean candles. So you got 30-minute support. Let's take a look at the 15. 15's got support here as well. And yeah, I think we just got to wait for a moment for a 4 hour to kind of push up, and then yeah, if we break that low, it should be gone. Should be a goner, but I'm gonna wait for 9:15 at least to look at any position here. Let this candle open up on the 4 hour, do what it needs to do, and then we should be good. I think closures below 28 though are not bad.
Oh yeah, I like that.
But we'll see. Give this 4 hour just a moment, you know, to open up and do what it has to do. I think buys are probably best above 31 at this point. But yeah, let's just hang tight and see how this candle's going to close up here in about 11 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, that actually seems good. So we may be able to catch like a new fade opportunity off the 4 hour, but give it some time. Give it some time. Let it cook for a moment.
Gotta be patient.
In your opinion, what caused that huge bullish move to be retraced so fast? 4 hour closure, daily time frame bearish. You know, that could have been the daily top wick. 4 hours coming into a targeted area.
Targets.
Major resistance. 1 hour close and no wick. 30-minute close and no wick. 15 fake
Daily was
out.
bearish.
That's pretty much what brought it down.
Yep.
It's basic technicals. You know, once you learn how to read candles, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. You know, you don't need to say, "Oh, what happened and how did it happen and what caused it to happen?" I don't know. Right? All I know is that technicals and candlesticks will give you all the clues you need for the most part. You know, and if those clues line up with familiar price action, then you execute. If those clues kind of show itself off, but you know they don't line up with what you're looking for, then you just let it go. Like had we not been in the trade on the 15-minute and then I seen this 30 close, I would have never been in that trade here. Right? Would have never been in that because this isn't good familiar price action to me. No wick. So yeah, you got to look for clues, and again, once you really study candles and know how price action works, it's a wrap.
Yep. And when you're looking at the higher time frames and lower time frames and you're putting them together, it's literally like putting a puzzle together, right? We're just taking pieces of the puzzle and putting it together. It's like a story too, and it's like each time frame is their own chapter, and it all has information that leads to a story, and you just put that all together, right, which makes one book. So understand that it's like a connection, and it's using the higher time frames and connect them with the lower time frames will get you a thesis on price, right? A direction on price, or where you can see it going to, right?
Yep.
So
Exactly. Oh yeah, let's update the record. Forgot about that.
update the record.
1. It all starts at 1, baby.
Yes, sir.
1. Hey, yo, 99. 99 on the year.
Damn.
Sheesh. '99th win to 100th before you get the 30th L. I don't care which one comes first, to be honest. Don't matter to me. 99 or 30th. Guess what? I know they're both coming. I know they're both coming. When they're coming, I don't know. But I definitely know that they're both coming.
Yeah. It's not. All you got to do is just execute on the edge. That's it.
Yep. So yeah, 9:15 may be another play here. So potential 30-minute or 15-minute celery. That's your 4-hour low right there. So we really want to pay attention to that low there. We really got to see this 15 close first though. So right at support. Ideally the 30-minute closure would be best, but 15 could work as well.
Oh.
First day with you guys. Already banking some bread. Oh, we scammed them. Let's go.
Let's go.
Scamming you guys on some profits.
Happy first day at TT.
Hey, by the way, chat, if my B would have got hit, you would have seen people in the chat saying, this guy, he's all right. He's all right. But because I survived by 1 pip, they go, "Oh my God, bro, you're so amazing. We love your trading style." Yeah. But hey, it's good to have you, man. Where did you find us from? Was it YouTube? Was it a podcast? Where'd you find out about us? Yeah, they'd be like, "Yo, scam, bro." 1 pip, Nick. Right, Tradeovate made me look good here today. My playbook makes me look good. I'm not the best trader, but I just got a good playbook that I follow. Yeah, just today. Today I'm amazing.
That plan blesses you.
It could be totally different tomorrow. It's got to be earned daily. I like you guys though. You guys are like New York Yankee fans. Like, you're not afraid. like I remember one time they actually booed Derek Jeter. I was like, how are you gonna boo Derek Jeter?
Right.
I love being scammed by you. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Hey, Green, how you doing today, brother? Great to see you here, man.
Yep.
Hey, for those of you guys that don't know, we are doing, I don't think anyone's doing this, but we got a trade-off coming. So we're about to have a tournament that's going to take place and it's going to be a big trade-off. It's going to be hosted by Top One Trader. We're going to have open tryouts. So this week we're going to get you guys the link, and what you can do is you click this Top One link. We'll have it out for you guys tomorrow. If you want to play, right? If you want to actually enter in. By the way, the winner, we're going to pick 3 winners. The number 1 seed gets a 200K account. The number 2 seed is going to get a 100K account, and then the number 3 seed is going to get a 50K account. So that's what's at stake. So there's only going to be 32 competitors total, but anyone can register to enter into the free tryout. We're going to have like an open tryout. So we're going to get you a link tomorrow. Once you click that link, you're going to register for a free Top One account. So they're going to send you a 100K account credentials to your email. Once you get that email, don't take a trade on that account If you do, you're automatically deactivated. We have everything tracked with Top One. So we'll have a leaderboard and everything where we're going to see who's the number 1 seed, who's the number 500 seed, and you can see yourself moving up and down like as we go. So I don't know how many of you guys will sign up for the open tryout, but let's just say it's 100 or 500. You're going to compete in that open tryout, in the top 32 players, meaning whoever has the highest percentages on their account will advance, and they'll have the opportunity to compete, right? So those will be the 32 players in the game. Everyone else, as long as you sign up for that free account to enter into the open tryout, you will also get a 50% discount on any challenge that you purchase from Top One. So let's say you don't make it into the 32 contenders, you can still get something out of it, which is a 50% deal on anything that any challenge you want to get. So just for participating. So even if you don't want to participate in the challenge itself and you're just trying to get a funded account, 50% off for anyone who registers through that link. It's all free to register. There's no fee or nothing like that you got to pay. The only guy paying here is me, right? So I'm going to be handing out accounts, 200K accounts, 100K accounts, and 50K accounts at the end of it all. So the way it'll work is once those 32 players are in, you're going to get matched up with opponents, and then you will have 1 week to make more on your account than your opponent. You won't know how much your opponent has day by day. You just have to play your game, right? So whoever's up at the end of the week will advance and compete in the next week. They'll advance into the next round, and then we'll be down to, I think, 16, right? So 32 to 16. And then same thing, you'll have that week to compete, and it's going to get tougher and tougher and tougher with the traders that are in, right? So, and that'll go for 5 weeks. We'll go from 32 to 16 to 8 to 4 to the final 2.
Sounds fun as hell.
Let's get it. It's gonna be really fun.
Chat, who's gonna win it? Who's taking off?
Who's taking that 200K?
Coming for that first place.
And the idea is, number one, I want to show you what you can do when you actually put some oomph into it, right? But number two is you're going to have to play your game. So whatever you're, and by the way, we're getting rid of the target, the profit targets, but we're keeping the drawdown. So there's no, if you hit max 5% a day, you're out. If you hit 10% overall, you're out, and your opponent will advance. So don't give your opponent an easy win, because the moment you breach, that's it. He doesn't have to play anymore. So he advances. So if you breach in the first day or the second day, you just give your opponent a free advancement. So yeah, play to win and play professional, right? Just like you would. Like this your opportunity to just trade your game.
Yep. Yes, sir. Hey, you may find an edge here that may work for you forever, for the rest of your life.
It's going to be so much fun.
Take it serious.
It's going to be so much fun. We're going to start it here. And I think I've seen some of you guys are from Devious here. Welcome. You guys are more than welcome any day. We love Don over here. But pretty soon what we're going to do is that, we'll do like TTE versus Devious, right? Or we'll do TTE versus like ASFX. And then we'll kind of have like, what do they call it? Conferences. Yeah, like different conferences. And the
different divisions and stuff like that.
Yeah, different divisions. Like the winner of TTE's 32 will play like the winner of DVS's or ASFX's 32, and it'll be fun. It'll be fun. I think we can get the streaming community together, a lot of traders together this way as well, and I think it'll be fun.
Fire.
Yeah. Nah, I don't want to take buys. I really don't. I want to see how we react here. So we did, we kind of closed slightly below, slightly. I'm probably going to wait on the 30 closure. We already took a beautiful trade from up here, and I think I'm going to wait for a little bit more confirmation here on this candle.
Yeah, I'm waiting on 30 closure also.
Yeah, because we may pop here, right? We may pop real quick because we want to entice buyers into this, right? And this candle here has no wick. So we could pop and then kind of pull back. Drive down like this. But yeah, if we break that low, we might be gone. And that's okay. All right, Pablo's playing. Let's go. Hey, let's see what y'all got, man.
Get it, Pablo?
Yeah, so we have those are the two big announcements. Basically, the tournament, all that stuff's going to start up tomorrow, and then obviously the 2-day webinar that we're going to do, where we're going to talk all about technicals and basically all about technicals. It's not going to be anything else outside of exactly what I've been doing and what I've been learning and dissecting through the markets over the last 4 months. So it's made a significant difference in the overall like record. So we're gonna talk about that. We got a lot to talk about. Yeah, we may push here, chat. We did break those lows. I don't feel comfortable taking that off the 15 here. So worst case, we wait for a breakout. If not, we get a little bit of a pullback and we still have this 30-minute celery here. But if it drives, it drives, man. It is what it is. How do we get into the competition?
DID.
Come back tomorrow and we'll have the link all set up for you guys. Yeah, anyone can get into the open tryout, and when you do, you automatically will receive a 50% discount from top one on your next challenge that you buy. Can you tell us more about the competition? What else would you like to know? I think I covered it all. You know, we're gonna give you guys the link this week so everyone can get signed up by Friday, right? None of those accounts will be active till Friday, so you can't take trades, try and get a little head start. Some of you little cheaters out there, you know, you can't get any of that going until Monday.
Some of you scammers.
Monday's when the game begins, right? And yeah, we'll keep a leaderboard. We'll update you guys every day. So at the end of the day, Monday, we'll update you guys on where you stand in that top 32. And what else? I don't know, man. Like the stream.
Like the stream.
Give the stream
subscribe.
a like.
Let's get it.
Sub to the channel. What else about the competition?
We running it up here.
Winner takes something big, man.
Winner takes home a 200K funded account.
And you get the crown, right? So you get the crown too. So we're gonna do something like who's got the crown. You know, there'll be a little emoji and stuff on your YouTube username and all that. You got the title.
Let's go, 11th hour. Let's do a face-off tonight.
Taking trades on me with me. Everything counts. Yep. So even if you take trades on stream with me, all that counts. The rules are the same for the challenge. I think so. No. So the only rules that we're gonna have is the 5% max daily and the 10% drawdown. Other than that, you could trade news. You could basically do whatever you would normally do and just play your game. You just can't lose more than 5% in a day or 10% overall. The moment you do, we'll know about it because everything's tracked through top one, and then you'll just be disqualified, and your opponent will get a message saying that, hey, you can, hit the showers and take it easy for the next 2 or 3 days because you already won. Your opponent was disqualified.
Yeah, where Nick will get the crown from Burger King. All right. Nobody knows nothing.
We'll mail you guys a crown. We'll mail you guys something.
Nobody knows nothing.
Something nice. Nobody knows nothing.
Where's 930 got for us?
Green, you gonna compete? You competing? Imagine having an amazing week for your opponent to breach. Hey, you still had an amazing week.
Let's go.
Kenny 313, you can call me a loser in the chat. I know I'm winning at the highest levels in life right now, brother. So if that makes you feel good, go right ahead, G. Go right ahead.
Hey, if you're ever calling someone a loser, we all know that you're the loser. So losers lose, winners win. What are we gonna do? We gonna keep winning. That's for sure.
And I mean the highest levels. Like this is where the story becomes legendary, G.
Yeah, man. I've seen Nick when he started coming up in his journey and stuff. That was cool, but right now, man, nah. He's dangerous right now. I see that look in his eye. He's looking like Superman. Don't mess with him. That brother hungry.
At least call me a good loser, because I'm a good loser.
Yeah, we're great losers. We embrace losing. We embrace
I lose
failing.
for a living. It's fun.
Right? We literally do.
Kenny's sitting there scratching his head now like, what the heck can I say back to that? Yeah, man.
Kenny's like, maybe I am a loser.
It's like Eminem. Remember that battle where he won at the end? And he just told everyone like he's a loser? It's like, what else you got?
All right.
Am I entering? Yeah, if we get a closure below here, it looks pretty good. Yeah, the 30 celery would have been awesome, but looks like we're going to drive a little here. Yeah. Hey, I'll be right back. Let me grab another water here.
Go grab some water, hit your push-ups. Chat, that's all I've been doing on this vacation is just push-ups. There's no gym really around here, so just push-ups in itself, and I get it such a great pump just by hitting 50 push-ups straight. Another great exercise I like to do is push-ups till failure, and then getting on my knees, getting on my knees to do some more push-ups, girl push-ups. That's a crazy workout right there. A couple sets of those, and that's all you need. How many push-ups can I do? Maybe like 60 or 70 in a row. Do more, John? I definitely will be. Yeah, whenever I think of doing them, I just do them pretty much. What's good, TK? Those are modified push-ups, yup. Shaders X, I'm at the Jersey Shore in Wildwood. Yo, chat, if any of you guys are in Wildwood, hit me up. It's link. No Diddy. Daniel, I will. When Nick comes back, I'll do some more. So you try starting with decline, then work your way down. Ooh, Shelly, I like that. I like that. Some decline push-ups. I do a little bit of that too, back at home. Oh man, when do I get out? Yo, Ty Hill, I think you're messing with me.
Bro, when you coming back to Florida, dude?
I'm thinking September.
Man
like
left
first
Joe
week of
Stu all
September, I
alone.
should be back. Yeah, I know. First week of September, I'll be back. Show us the view. All right, let's show chat the view. I think I showed them earlier, but
Let's see what kind of views we got. Okay.
So that's the beach. That's like the little walk to the beach out there. Got a pool where I'm at too. See the water in the back. It's looking nice, right?
Looking nice.
And I'm
looking
just chilling.
nice.
I'm just chilling on this beach chair.
What an office for the day, young man.
Great office. See, like, why would I go trade inside when I can trade out here? I don't know.
This is why I wanted to mentor him when he was 9 years old. Because I wanted him by the time he was 20 years old to actually be able to live a good life and not feel gypped and cheated by his upbringing or the system itself. So instead, we mentored him, right? We put some things in his mind that he wasn't going to get from the actual matrix itself. And when I see that, I'm so grateful that I did it, because I believe it made all the difference, right? 19 years old, his beach, his office is the beach today. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I just want to shout out Nick. Thank you, Nick, as well, bro, for the great guidance, great mentorship. There's no way, no shot I would be living this life that I'm living without Nick and his guidance. So
yes,
thank you, Nick, and big shout out, bro. Love you.
I had to brainwash him, wash his brain from the filth that the system has put into us, and we made sure his brain was nice and squeaky clean, and then and that's what it produces right there.
It was a reprogram, man, and you showed me how to visualize something and turn it into reality. And I still remember 3 years ago when I was learning how to trade. I remember we were watching Roger's Market Fluidity, and I was thinking like, oh man, I visualized myself at the beach making money when I was learning how to trade, and today I'm doing it. So
amen.
It's just proven that you can take something in the mind and turn it into reality. So that's some inspiration for the chat.
Facts. This you know what's crazy? Man. I was telling this to somebody else, but this vision, right? This picture right here, I promise you, this picture started in my mind. Right here. That picture right there,
wow, bro.
That was birthed right in my mind. And probably, a year ago, right? When I first did the pod with Calvin, I was like, I'm going to get on his live pod. Like, I'm going to get on the actual show. And I birthed this image right here in my mind and made it happen, man. So your thoughts truly are things, but you got to stop thinking it's some hocus pocus stuff, right? You got to really understand that. I know it's hard to understand because it sounds weird, right? But they want it to sound weird, right? They want you to overlook at it and think, thoughts are things. Like that YouTube guy's crazy, man. Don't listen to him about stuff. I'm telling you, I think it would be wise to listen.
Oh yeah, man.
Was that a joke that you started teaching him at 9? No, that's for real. John's my younger brother. So me and John are 15 years apart. So while I was getting mentored in network marketing, while I was getting mentored by some really successful business guys, what I was doing is I was coming in and I was filling my cup up, and then I was pouring it out into him and obviously a bunch of other people as well. But he was one of them that I was pouring into. The only 9-year-old, I promise you that.
Yes. Yeah, man.
I wasn't just
meant to
reprogram
me.
Bunch of 9-year-olds, I promise.
Legit reprogrammed me for success, literally. But yeah, I'm not thanking Nick in front of everyone to just sound corny or whatever, but to show you my gratitude for the life I'm living, because I love my life. So,
amen, brother.
Just very grateful, bro.
All right, so we closed bullish here on the 30-minute. We closed bearish on the 15-minute. So we're kind of in this range, like in this undecided range here right now. So we are going to get a lot of volume. Unfortunately, there's no closure here for me. We're stuck in the range. But I think if we break out to either direction now, we are good to go, right? Because we've established a 4-hour bottom wick. We never broke the lows. We established a 4-hour top wick. We haven't filled the wick just yet, so there is room to drive. But I need a closure, So I think on the 15-minute chart, if we can either get a bullish closure above the range, something like this, then 945 is going to be the play here for price to run up. If not, if we get a closure below at 945, we know that there's still going to be volume, right? So if we can get a closure below, then I'll be taking sells. So just gotta wait.
Sure.
Unfortunately, just gotta wait here.
Yeah. Yeah, I was looking at 9:31 an opportunity, didn't get one. So, yeah, I think I'm going to call it here, though, at 9:30 because I know we got some news coming in, 9:45 and 10. The girl just woke up, too, so I'm going to go for a bike ride right now as well. So,
Do it.
yeah. So great trade today. I'm going to call it here, though. But I'll be back, though, tomorrow for sure.
All right, cool. We'll see you tomorrow, man. Thanks for coming by.
Yes, sir, brother. Thanks for having me, bro. And I'll give you a chat a little bit later.
All right, sounds good. Enjoy the day.
All right, bet, bro. Thanks, bro. Have a good day.
Later.
Peace, chat. See you guys later.
Peace. Later, bro.
Peace.
And he's gone. And he's out. Slow life down and think, and you will realize most things you think it spoke about happening. Yeah, it's true. I have really done a great job at slowing life down. You know, when you're free and you don't have a job and so much going on in between you and like your own personal like life, man, you slow life down and you really get to analyze things from a different perspective. Can you do this to a 36-year-old guy? Do what? Oh, of course. Mentor? Absolutely. Man, I've mentored guys that were in their 50s. Yeah, by the way, we have one spot left for the elite program. I think if we don't fill that today, I think I'm just going to close it up and just be happy. I'll be happy to work with I think there's 4. Yeah, I think there's 5. Yeah, I'll just be happy to work with them 5. So yeah, last spot, last call for today. It's a elite mentorship, so it's one-on-one personal coaching with me. I open up 6 spots a month, and we've got 5 taken. We got 1 left, and that's gonna be it. Closing it up today, whether we fill that or not. All right, Rapid Max, have a great day, brother. Enjoy, man. I'm 36. Oh, nice. Hey, you don't have to say you don't have to tell us your age. What are we trading now? Same thing we were trading before. So let me make this a little bit more clear. Buys above here, potential sells below here, and that's the game here. We got the 4-hour candle trapped. So if this candle, the only way that we don't participate is if this candle runs with no closures. Other than that, we've got it trapped. We're waiting for closures, and yeah, we got it surrounded. So just hang tight and wait. We got 10 minutes left on the 15-minute candle here. Oh yeah, we got news too. We got news coming in at 9:45, so there most likely won't be. I mean, there could be. You know how I get down these days, chat. We might do a little news. 9:45 and then 10, so it'd probably have to be at 10, the 10 a.m. news though, not the 9:45. We do a little news. Hey, Usman, where's that BE at, man? Dang, that BE never got hit. That one pip Nick got saved. Yeah, we won't forget news. I was trying to subscribe to your bootcamp. I don't have the bootcamp out yet. Yeah, no matter what country, you'll be able to participate. Yeah, we got a 2-day webinar coming up in late July, so you guys are more than welcome to pull up. We'll have all that set up for tomorrow. I'm 25 next month. I remember 25. 25 was a good year. I know. I love you, Usman. You're the man, bro. Take 1 pip for the 100 trade. Oh, damn. All right, chat. Moving stops to break even. Up 1 pip. Moving stops to break even. And now I'm closing my full position right here at 2 pips. Thank you. Thank you very much. How's the new tat come out? It came out good. It came out good. I'll show you guys when it's all done. I'm working on a sleeve, so I'll show you guys when it's all set in motion. Yeah, I was actually out till 5 in the morning, man. I have 2 tattoo artists, but one of them, this dude is a night owl, bro. So like, you gotta show up and stay late with this guy. Yeah. There it goes. Push it. Nice. Nice, nice. Your debit card? Yeah. We accept all major debit cards, credit cards, and no. Please, what are you trading now? Bro, same thing, gold. We don't change it. We just change the same, we trade the same pair every day. Every day. Born to win. Ooh. Born to win. Tat. Tat, 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 tat. Thanks for teaching wisdom over riches. Yeah, my pleasure, Dre. Good to see you here today, man. Welcome in. Yeah, you know, that's something my mentor would tell me too a lot. He would say, Nick, never follow people, always follow principles, because people can easily change, right? Things could happen where people can easily get deceived. We see it happen all the time, right? So he said, you know, you always got to follow principles, man. Never follow men. Men are sinners, right? Sinners saved by grace, but principles never change. So always follow principles over man. And I'm like, that makes total sense. And I've always done that, and I've always tried to teach that as well. Am I the streamer that wears the mask? Maybe. I might be. Makes sense to trade one pair. Yeah, I think everyone's different. I think everyone kind of has a different way of doing it. I like one pair. One pair is all good for me. I really don't need much else. Yeah, if you introduce another pair, then you gotta learn that pair, right? It takes time to learn pairs. It's not, you know, it's not one of those things where it's like, oh, I really like GBP AUD just because it sounds good. Let me start trading it. You know, you gotta take time to learn these things, and especially if you're gonna invest your money, right? Do I trade NASDAQ? I don't really trade NASDAQ, no. I think we traded it a few times in the beginning of the year, and then that was it. The link will be sent tomorrow? Yes, Ricardi. Yeah. The link will be sent out tomorrow. Yeah, I'll put the link in when I'll talk about it on the live stream. I'll send it in the Discord, and I'll probably make a post about it on Instagram. Nas pushing down. Oh yeah. Downtown we go. Am I done with GJ? No. No way. Why would you say that? All right, here we are. We are here, right? We talked about 31. So if you do re-break those lows, man, you got news coming in. I'm not saying that we will, but we're up at 31 now. So that's where we wanted to see this candle potentially reject from. So we'll see if that actually happens. Trade US 30? Nope, I only trade gold. Yeah, just gold. US 30, I sample sized US 30 for about 6, 7 months and just didn't like it. All right, we've got some news coming in here in about 3 minutes. Yeah, I forgot my mask today. Which broker do I use? I use a broker called Tradeovate. Yeah, GJ we stopped trading a while ago. GJ we stopped trading out, I think in like March. Push it, push it. I think we're going up. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We got news coming in here, so we may come back up to the highs here. We'll see. This is interesting though. Gonna keep an eye on this here. Alright, let's get rid of this. This we don't need anymore. We'll keep the range over here and see where we're at. Yeah, if you guys are in this buy, it wasn't a bad buy at all. Not bad at all. What's the break of trading your own capital? The break meaning... What do you mean by the break? Caught some pips now. Nice. Caught the buy. W. Yeah, this actually was not bad at all. You came down, you respected the lows there, broke the highs, and just juiced. Juice box. But yeah, very curious to see how things go, especially up here on the 15-minute time frame. 20 seconds here. All right, we closed. Yeah, so we closed. We actually closed above here. So I guess there's some news coming in right now. Let's take a look. 9:45. So yeah, I think the bigger result comes in here at 10. So we gotta wait for that. That's gonna be another 15 minutes from now, but very similar numbers, so nothing has really changed too much here. But is this where we begin to fall, right? So this is the area in which we wanted to pay attention to, where we could potentially fall now, just like these candles have done, just like this candle has done here. Same thing here. So we'll see what happens. I think if you get a 15 closure here at 10, you may push down. Sample sized it. Nice. Where you guys at? You guys are boring me today. I'm getting bored. Oh, speaking of GJ, the Blesh trader. Nice trade, bro. GJ on the run. I heard GJ's been very bullish. Is that correct? Have not looked at it. Calvin asked me if I was still trading GJ. I'm like, nah, bro. We deleted it all together. We sang Kumbaya and all that and just deleted it on the live stream. Practice, commitment, discipline. Nice. Yeah, Rafi popping in the Discord. Learning a new skill takes practice, commitment, discipline. Practice comes with time. Commitment comes day in and day out. That's true. And discipline is day in and day out too. Yep. It's a marathon. Yeah, I like that one. W Rafi. I don't think Rafi's here today. He's busy today. Busy. He's a busy man. Ooh, Uber Eats. Let's go, Armor of God. Running it up. How many of you guys have drove around doing Uber Eats and put your Cash App and Venmo tag on there? That's what y'all that's what y'all got to do. That's next level. Now you're making money and you're marketing yourself. It's right there. Anything would help. Like, not poor, just lacking on bills. They'll understand. They'll be like, you know what? I like that guy. I like that girl. We'll send them a couple bucks. Even if it's like $2-3. That adds up, man. 100 people see you a day. Holy. Let's go. Some of y'all not poor enough yet. I'm poor enough. Can we get the fade to play out here? Oh, maybe. Any trades today? Yeah, we just took one trade. We took a sell up here and closed like down here. Like 50 pips here on gold. Is it good to buy now? I'm not taking a buy, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's not good. But I'm not taking a buy right now. Yeah, we'll see how the 30 closes here. We got news coming up here. There you go. Try it out. Try it out, Bliss. Just throw that Cash App tag right on the back windshield. It can't hurt, right? It can't hurt. It can only help. Right, Green? $34 lots? Oh my god. Jaguar Day. Second youngest member? Yeah. Hey, give me just a few minutes. I'll be right back. Hey, if there wasn't a red folder, I'd have a sell stop here on the break of the low. But we got a red folder coming out here. Yeah, let's take a look at that 4-hour candle. So 4 hours still, this is where we wanted to see some sort of reaction on the 4 hour. You see all this? All this to the left-hand side is where we want to see what this candle is going to do. Right? All this is going on right in here. So that's what we want to pay attention to, right? If that's what I mean. If we kind of come up and fill this wick, but really don't push through it, then that's where you may start to reject. So if there wasn't some red folder stuff happening, I'd probably just have a sell stop right on the break of that 15 low. But we'll see what happens here. Been slapping the prop firm around today. Let's go. Let's go. W. Insta? I think I brought it up already. Insta is right here. I have it up still. This is my IG. There's a lot of fake IG and fake Discord accounts, so just be very careful with that stuff. Very careful. You guys can come. We haven't really posted. I think I'm going to clean the page up. I might make like a separate time to eat trading thing, you know, like page, and, you know, put all these trades on there so I can get it off of like my personal account here. And just kind of share lifestyle on this account, and then put the trading stuff on another account. Yeah, because I really don't show you guys a lot of my lifestyle, you know, so I want to start doing that a little bit more and getting on IG a little bit more. Because, you know, I do fun stuff most days, right? Most days I'm out doing some fun stuff. I just always forget to post all that. Hey, can we get this thing to sell off here? What news coming in? Move to the island? Yo, that'd be lit. Yeah, you guys can go back and watch some of my other stuff here. Like, this when we first came out with Time to Eat, when I first like introduced it and was like, yo, we're going to come out and I'm going to potentially send some signals out and do some live trading and all that good stuff. Yeah, you see, I was leaving the announcement. Had some long hair back then. Yeah, this is before Alea was born. Yeah, you guys can go back. You'll see me trading basically the same exact way. Right? This was 167 weeks ago. So if you guys feel like you can't like understand everything and you feel like you're not reading price the way I'm reading it, just understand like I've been doing this every single day for probably 200 weeks. Over 200 weeks. So just keep that in mind, gang. I have a post that says don't compare your day 1 or your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20, right? So keep these things in mind. But yeah, same style, same type of trades pretty much. Buys above, sells below. Yeah, I used to have a little Telegram. What's this? Oh yeah, some mentorship. Holy celery play. The celery. How you doing? Okay. Alright, what are we doing here, Goldie? Yeah, but you guys can go, who can guess the movie? Who can guess the movie here? Whoever, if you can guess that movie, I'll give you a 25K challenge account right now. You want to see it one more time? There it is. Whoever says it, you get a 25K challenge account. I'll keep an eye out for it. Yeah, I was up trading at like 2 a.m. and all that stuff. Look at this. Look at this. 15-year-old brother. 181 weeks ago. That's how long John's been on it. Let's see. Let's see. Nope, I don't see any of the correct answers yet. Oh, there's the Fibonacci. There's the Fibonacci. I used to trade with black charts too. Yeah, anyway. Charts. Let's see. Movies. Do we see it yet? Yes, we do see it. Who is it? Winfinity. You won. Congratulations. You get a 25K challenge account. Yup, rush hour. You never know what could happen on a TT live stream, man. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Wow. Karate Kid? Nah. Rush hour. Rush hour. All right, so that's your 10 a.m. news here that just popped off. So, damn. Let's see. Yeah, you said rush hour. Yeah, but Winfinity said it first. And that's what I said. The first one to guess the movie wins. Donate to someone else? All right. We'll donate to somebody else. What a great person you are. It pushed down at 9:59. Yo, you're right. I thought I was tripping there for a second. Like, what? That's insane. All right, whoever can guess what number I'm thinking about in my head on a 1 to 1,000. No, I'm just kidding. We'll give it to you. If you can guess the number in my head from 0 to 1,000, you'll win a 25K challenge account. Who wants to do it? We got one account here, man. I didn't think of the number yet, though. I just want to know if you guys want to do it. Oh, there's the motion. Where y'all been? Hold on. Let me think of the number. Man, you guys are pushy. You guys are pushy, man. I haven't thought of the number yet. Shaking my tin can. Oh, man. I legit have no number in my head yet. I'm gonna wait till you guys calm the numbers down and then I'll rethink. Or maybe we'll just do it tomorrow early on the stream. So if you were going to miss a stream, it would have been today's. Tomorrow's not the stream to miss. Yo, what's up with these candles? What's going on right now? Barcode? Yeah, I think so. Wafer playbook. Great idea. Wow. W. All right, I'm going to think of a number from 1 to 1,000, and the first person I see with that number will win the account. I got the number in my head right now. So go ahead. Go ahead now. Go slow, though, chat. Go slow, man. Oh, all right. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. Lights fire. You're the winner, brother. 555, G. Wow. That was like a knockout. That was like the UFC fight last week. Or this past weekend. Holy. Lights fire. You are one lucky guy, man. Damn. It's not even fair. It's not even fair how blessed this kid is. The light of God just shines upon this man. Favored. Dang, lights fire. You didn't even give anyone a chance. You just said 555. Holy. That was pretty fun. Let's do another one. Let me pick a number. Let me pick a number. Don't say any numbers yet. If I see one more number, no more giveaway. Let me pick a number. Hold on. I will make that trade recap later. I got you. Hold on. No numbers yet, chat. No numbers. The first thing to making money and being successful is that you can follow a plan, right? So you have to follow, not orders, but, you know, directions, man. Follow directions. None of y'all are following any directions here. Stop, idiots. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. All right. Y'all have fun just typing numbers, I guess. Raja Black, you guys don't know how to leave. You guys don't know how to follow directions. I'm out of here. Just kidding. Wiz Buddha. Do your parents know? Perhaps we can give the challenge to someone under 21. Yeah, that'd be great. The only issue is there's out of like maybe 100 that are under 21, probably 1,000 people will be like, yeah, we're under 21. How many of you guys are guilty? Y'all bring your children into the Chinese buffet when you know that the rule is 4 years under, get in for free, and your kid just turned 4 2 months ago, but you're still like, no, he's still 3. He's still 3. Shut up, I'm 4, Mom. Shut up, Brian. Y'all be playing, man. God's watching y'all, man. God's watching y'all. I'd be knowing. My kid snitch on me, word. I'm like, all right, that money's coming out of your piggy bank then, little Brian. Little Brian. Don't listen to him. He failed 2nd grade. Kid's an idiot. We're just trying to teach him. You have that discussion with your children on the way in. You about to lie to your children. Make your children participate in lying with you. Oh my God. How naughty, man. All right, listen, kids. Every one of you are under 4, all right, when we go in this place. No, we're not. Just listen to me, all right? Just listen to me. For the next 25 minutes, you're 3 years old, buddy. If you're not 3, you ain't coming in. Green be doing that. Green be doing that all the time for the discount. Here's the game. You're in the mom minivan. All right, here's the game plan, kids. Brian, you're 3. Billy, you're still 2.5. Sally, you don't even talk yet. Just pretend you don't know how to talk. Wow, goo goo gaga, go in there. Bro's 11 talking about goo goo gaga. Here, take this pacifier. I don't care if you turned 13 last month. We ain't paying that. Chinese buffets ain't cheap, man. Them joints like $18 a piece now. $22 a piece. 25, man. Depending on where you go. Goo goo gaga. Yeah, I think I should take my Essentials shirt off here because I'm getting ink all over it. And probably wasn't the best shirt to wear. All right, 4 hour coming back down here. Why didn't I wear like a regular t-shirt? Should I DM you or TK? You can DM TK. Not that I don't want to say hello to you and catch up and say hi, but yeah, you could DM TK. He'll get it done quicker. Take a bottle and a binky, Billy. Zip it. We're getting a free meal. Yeah, so rejections here. So that is exactly where we wanted to see. Well, not exactly. We were really kind of paying attention to the zone here to see how we reacted. But notice how those rejections came right from there. So let's see. Did we get a closure? Yeah, look at that. Yup, that's exactly where we wanted to see that resistance form. The only issue is, you know, we pushed all the way down. So, but great read on price there, man. Great read. When am I coming to Sweden? Man, that's a good point. I'll go when Green comes with me. Green, where you at? Green? Green's in the back of the minivan right now. All right, kids, here's the plan. He's like, when you go up there too, you get extra teriyaki chicken from me. They're keeping an eye on that teriyaki chicken basket over there. Green's the guy they be watching at the buffet. Like, yo. He's about to glitch our matrix here and eat way more than we anticipated. Shout out to TK. Yeah, shout out TK. Shout out TK. Shout out Green. Shout out all the mods, man. You guys kill it, man. The community's pretty big now. There's a lot going on, so it's really amazing to have these guys out here. Greenery, when we going to Sweden, bro? Hey, Green, we got friends all over the world now, man. The summer's best if you want to do a boot camp. Yeah, we're going to do a 2-day boot camp / webinar. It's going to be, I think we can, yeah, let's do that. Let's, it's going to be July 27th. Last weekend of July. So we'll get everything up and running on the website, and then July 27th will be the date. So 27 and 28. NY Open is the start time. Put it in your calendars, and then we'll let you know when the tickets are all ready. Yo, we out, Green. Face-to-face, man, I would love to do a face-to-face boot camp. I just don't think I just don't know where to do it. You know, that's the big thing. I don't know where. We got people from everywhere, so it's tough to pick a spot. Yeah, look at this. Perfect rejections. Yeah, if you want to get one-on-one, face-to-face, eyeball to eyeball, there's one spot left in the elite program. You just got to go on the website, and you know you could purchase it there and get all registered there. If not, we're gonna close that up here today. Yeah, I'm gonna close that elite spot up probably by like 5 p.m. today, so around market close. Do it in Dubai. Oh, July 27th is your birthday? Oh, nice. Let's go. Hope you're doing well, Jai Trader. Oh, we're welcome in Holland. Oh, W. How close is eyeball to eyeball? This close. Me and you, bro. Me and you. I see you. I see you, brother. That close. That close. You want to get that close to me? TT Elite. July 24th. 707, that was the number. No, I'm just kidding. The time we're going to do the boot camp, yeah, it's probably going to be around NY Open till about this time. So just be like a regular live stream time. And we will record them. So if you do purchase a ticket and you can't make it, you'll have all the recordings and all that stuff too. All right, I've got a number in my mind, 1 to 1,000. We'll give away one more 25K account, and then I'll probably get up out of here because we're going to range a bit. It's in my mind. It's in my mind. Oh, whoa, whoa. Not too fast, chat. Not too fast. Not too fast. Not too fast. Okay, I see it. I see it. I see it. Okay, stop, 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 stop. Hold it. Hold it. Hold the line. Halt. Halt. Let me just make sure it didn't come before that. I can't see any of your, let me just make sure it didn't come before, and I think we got a winner. Man, you guys are good. All right, the winner, Rosenbuds, 143. 143. Rosenbuds is the winner. Yup, 143. No one else had it before him or her. Oh wait, are you a guy or a girl, Rosenbuds? Sorry, man. Sorry. Oh, not man. Sorry. I'm just sorry. 143. That's the number me and my wife always text each other. You know what it means? I love you. 1 for I, 4 for love, 3 for you. Isn't that cute? I love you, Rosenbuds. I love you. I'm sorry, I did not mean to assume your gender. I should write it. Come on, man. Hey, J4 Trades. That's the difference between the positive and the pessimism. Positive, optimism and pessimism. All right, Rosenbuds, give TK a shout on Discord. He'll get you all set up. Guys, tomorrow we're gonna have the link up. So tomorrow we're gonna have the link if you guys want to compete in the competition that we're doing. We are going to, how many people here? 1,200. Yeah. Okay. So tomorrow we're gonna have the link up, most likely for the to enter into the open tryout if you guys want to compete in the TTE game, the Time to Eat trading tournament. So you guys are more than welcome to come in and participate. Everyone gets a free account. If once you click that link, you're gonna get a free account, credentials emailed to you. That puts you into the open tryout. So whether you get in the game or not, either way, if you sign up to that link and get an account, you will have 50% discount on any top 1 account that you want. Let's just say you don't get into the 35, right? Or the 30, whatever it is, 32. Then even if you do get into the 32, you still got an opportunity to have 50% off on any challenge that you get. So whether you want to compete in the competition or not, I think it's wise to sign up because you get 50% off next account. So yeah, we'll have the link for that most likely tomorrow. I'll get everything set up for the webinar and all that stuff too. And yeah, we'll talk a little bit more about the details. I'll share some notes and topics on what I plan on going over during that webinar. And yeah, I think that's the day here, chat. Remember, winners get 200K, 100K, and 50K. There'll be 3 winners to that challenge. So those are the winnings. And yeah, I think that is that's it for us. Yeah, I've enjoyed my time here with y'all today. Yeah. We good? Any other questions, comments, concerns? Keep an eye out. I'm going to do a trade of the day video a little bit later. We'll go over that trade we took earlier. Beautiful sell position taken up from like 23.35 and really, really nice move down. We haven't really done much since that move outside of a couple little wild candles, and that's about it. So amazing job here in the New York session. If you caught those sells, the buys were decent too, you know, whatever, but I think the sells were the big play here today. So congrats to all that that took that opportunity. And yeah, the account size for the tournament, they're all going to be 100K accounts. So everyone gets a 100K account to trade on, and yeah, they'll all be 100K. Cool. All right, chat. I think that's it for me. I hope you guys have a blessed day. I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Keep an eye out for the trade of the day video later on tonight. And until tomorrow, love y'all, man. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you mañana. Later, mods. Peace out, Louis G. Peace out, Gotta Trade. Peace out, Green, TK, Classic, YOLO, George VDM. Shout out to George VDM. He's on vacation right now. Yeah, why am I forgetting one person here? Yanosh. Shout out to Yanosh, man. All right, y'all. Y'all have a great day. AB Mike, if you're still here, I think he dipped. But AB Mike, have a great day. Love y'all, mods. Chat, love you guys. Hope you guys have a blessed one. Let's go after it. Hey, keep those profits. Don't lose those profits here today, all right? Keep them. Don't only take good quality trades moving forward here today. It's only Monday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Tuesday. All right? Love y'all. I'm out. It's up. I'll see you tomorrow.
Down, but
Peace.
now I'm up. Yeah. This all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah. I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spit in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy, and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah. This all God, this ain't no love. I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm down. Now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline. Put them back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. From the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff. Probably thought it was a bluff till I went and turned it where I was down, but now I'm up. Let's go. Yeah. This all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up.
Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be bustin', where they enjoy life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? One more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. That hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fox. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we slinging the rock. We kicking this beating, why serve you sure? Even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me.
Yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. Till the day we see them. This feel like the moment we seeking, the day we can sing up the water, get freedom to walk.
Walk, 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 walk.
I walk,
walk, walk, walk, walk, walk, walk, walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty.
walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah.
Walk, 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 walk. Let's go. Walk, 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 walk.